Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. My location is good evening and it's 8 o'clock here. Please join me. As you're joining me, help me share this program so that Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri will see it. As you're joining me, because we are educating our people for them to know the truth and then run away from Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, ndị na-aṅụ Igbo, Igbo smokers that are saying they are freedom fighters. Join me this evening. Run away from Igbo smokers, freedom fighters. But before then, let me play this.
Nigeria, wake up. Justice must be free. Freedom, 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 from the east to the west, we call them. Voice of the people, may nobody silence them. And they cannot talk, you know, fear the power. Now they watch this hour. He shouts, make we open our eyes. He wants say danger, they disguise. Many people love that day, but today the truth no hide again. One voice right, they try shut them down, but the truth still they echo around. Justice no be crime for this land. Freedom song we go sing them loud. Freedom the canoe, let the freedom bell ring. Freedom the canoe, hear the voices we bring. Freedom the canoe, justice rise like the sun. Freedom the canoe, till the battle is won. From Enugu to Lagos, the cry don't spread. From Aba to Abuja, the voice is loaded. Ndi Mkpuru, the name we they shout. Because the people no go keep quiet now. He talk about the killings and fear. He talk about the danger we hear. Now many people they ask who they, why choose they locked away. Who speak for the people? Who fight for the truth? Who the people want free? Ndi Mkpuru. Who speak for the people? Who fight for the truth? Who the people want free? Ndi Mkpuru. Free Ndi Mkpuru. Let the whole world see. Free Ndi Mkpuru. Justice makes us free. Free Ndi Mkpuru. Yeah, Nigeria cry. Free Ndi Mkpuru. Freedom never dies. Free Ndi Mkpuru. Free Ndi
Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, free him, Nigeria government and Britain. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, unjustly sentenced. Because he's fighting for his people's freedom. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and that is where we stand. Today, my topic is ex-DOS recruited Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Go. Ex-DOS, they recruited Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. You need those people, they need brain reset if they are supporting those cabals. Anyone supporting those cabals need brain reset. They recruited Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, unbelievable. But before I'm going to play this song from Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, Facebook, please, I'm taking permission from you. Allow me to play this song from Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. You gotta go. Let me play this from Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri.
Capitalism Mkpuru Mmiri, gịnị bụ mkpụrụ mmiri? Mkpụrụ mmiri bụ ife na-anụ ụmụ nwoke kịta n'iyi. Kedu ka esi ama onye na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri? Ka esi ama onye na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri bụ nke mbụ ọya na-emu anya, nke abụọ ọya na-elilo nri, nke ịtọ ala ọpụpụ ya adịgo nso. Mkpụrụ mmiri a na-agbaghalụ onye na-achọ ịpụ ala? Mba, mkpụrụ mmiri adịghị agba.
Hold on, let me bring it up because I want you to see the face of Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. That one is not coming up here. I would like you to see the face. Yeah. Okay. I hope it comes up.
Capitalism Mkpuru Mmiri, gịnị bụ mkpụrụ mmiri? Mkpụrụ mmiri bụ ife na-anụ ụmụ nwoke kịta n'iyi. Kedu ka esi ama onye na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri? Ka esi ama onye na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri bụ nke mbụ ọya na-emu anya,
sị agwa m na eziokwu onye ọbụla nke na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri ya apụrịla ala. Mkpụrụ nke na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri ya apụrịla ala.
Doctor said underneath.
I don't see. I'm not going to know. I don't see.
Baptizim mkpụrụ mmiri. Gịnị bụ mkpụrụ mmiri? Mkpụrụ mmiri bụ ife na-anụ ụmụ nwoke kịta n'iyi. Kedu ka esi ama onye na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri? Ka esi ama onye na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri bụ nke mbụ ọnya na-emu anya, nke abụọ ọnya na-elido nri, nke ịtọ ala ọpụpụ ya adịgo nso. Mkpụrụ mmiri a na-agbaghalụ onye na-acha ịpụ ala? Mba, mkpụrụ mmiri adịghị agbaghalụ onye na-acha ịpụ ala n'ihi na drọgụ kwuru sị agwa m na eziokwu onye ọbụla nke na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri ya apụrịla ala.
Nananụ ndị mkpụrụ mmiri ha na-apụzi ala.
Mkpụrụ nke na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri ya apụrịla ala.
Egwu ndị mkpụrụ mmiri dị ya. Help me share this program as you are joining me.
Doctor said underneath.
Our new slogan, all my men no when I does it a cuckoo. Yemu one pipe, one they come miluaba. What you gonna use to look at is Ukumoke. No food for lazy man up Loma Kabonka. Obago, you don't enter. I see you don't enter. Drop me for Psychia. I told us still niggas, but they never wanna listen. Still turf, still think you know my bison. The clock's out of time, and you wanna paint the whole city red. Remember, you just got out of prison. Outlaw, the whole time's looking up. You done a lot of things, but you never do enough. Enough is enough, niggas stop doing drugs. Enough is enough, niggas stop doing drugs. I don't know what's happening. You're twisted antagonist. Cause I had one of the time to make my precious soul be glad. You fight with the bad and nobody and a line. You fight with the bad and nobody and a mkpụrụ mmiri a na-agbaghalụ onye na-acha ịpụ ala? Mba, mkpụrụ mmiri adịghị agbaghalụ onye na-acha ịpụ ala n'ihi na drọgụ kwuru sị agwa m na eziokwu onye ọbụla nke na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri ya apụrịla ala. Mkpụrụ mmiri, what is it? What is it? Mkpụrụ mmiri, what is it? What is it? See how you are destroying our youth. Stop na mkpụrụ mmiri ka ihe ọkwanụ. Stop.
Nananụ mkpụrụ mmiri destroying our boys, our men. Mkpụrụ mmiri destroying men. Oh, people that say they are here to fight for freedom, but they are into mkpụrụ mmiri. Ha na-aṅụ mkpụrụ mmiri. Mkpụrụ mmiri is destroying them, destroying their frontal lobes. Mkpụrụ mmiri is destroying their frontal lobes. Mkpụrụ mmiri is destroying men. Oh, okay, hold on. Mkpụrụ mmiri is destroying frontal lobes of those that says they are here to fight for freedom. Are they really fighting for freedom? No, their mkpụrụ mmiri is destroying their brains. Their weed ha na-aṅụ, Igbo ha na-aṅụ na-destroy their brains. Mkpụrụ mmiri Igbo ha na-aṅụ na-destroy ha. So if this is the song we'll be singing for them, from now on we'll be singing this song for Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, those recruited by those SUS recruited for them to come and be fighting on their behalf, and they are talking trash and talking rubbish. This song is not for them. So be playing it for them, my dear. Mkpuru mmiri egbugo ha. Mkpuru mmiri destroy go ha. Mkpuru mmiri ha bozi mmadụ. This is the way they are behaving. Mkpuru mmiri has done worse thing to them. Their brain as they work. Their frontal lobes, they don't reason as a man, as nwoke Igbo. Ha na a reason at all. Mkpuru mmiri emena ha arụ. Azịgbọkwa arụ. Mkpuru mmiri has done worse thing to our people. Hey, God have me Chineke meelu ụmụ Igbo ebere. To fear. Then let me bring the Mkpuru Mmiri man. These are the people that is the supporting DOS. They are the people supporting them. Oh, the Mkpuru Mmiri is destroying their brain. Let me come up. How do I come up? Come on, if we put it here. Should I even play it for you again, for you guys to listen more? Or should I just talk about what I want to talk? Mkpuru mmiri egbugo ha. Mkpuru mmiri egbugo ha o. Ewo, mkpuru mmiri eme na arụ. Go this side if you stay this side. Mkpuru mmiri eme na ha arụ. Achọrọ m ka ha na-afụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu because I need him not close to ndị mkpuru mmiri. Maazị need him not close to ndị mkpuru mmiri. Let me stay with them. Let me and Maazị stay together. Ndị mkpuru mmiri stay the other side. Stay that side. Do you want to listen to it again, or should I continue to play the Mkpuru Mmiri supporters of Ndi DOS? In short, let me play it again before I continue. Listen.
Capitalism Mkpuru Mmiri, gịnị bụ Mkpuru Mmiri? Mkpuru Mmiri bụ ife na-anụ ụmụ nwoke kịta n'iyi.
Ọ na-agụ ha n'iyi.
Esa onye na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri. Esa onye na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri bụ nke mbụ ọya na-emu anya, nke abụọ ọya na-elido nri, nke ịtọ ala ọkpụbịa adịgo nso.
Otu a ka ọ dị. Ala ọkpụbịa adịgo nso.
Na-agbaghalụ onye na-achọ ịpụala. Mba, mkpụrụ mmiri adịghị agbaghalụ onye na-achọ ịpụala n'ihi na drọgụ bụ si agwa m na eziokwu onye ọbụla nke na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri ya apụrịla ala.
Otu a ka ọ dị. Ngwa onye ọbụla na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri hapụwa gaala already.
Mkpụrụ nke na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri ya apụrịla ala.
Nọ ya.
Doctor said underneath.
Ndị mkpuru mmiri egwu a for them. DOS supporters.
No food for lazy man, you don't enter. I see you don't enter. Drop me for Psychia.
Drop them. That's where they should be. Psychia. Because they are not normal anymore. They are not normal. They are not normal anymore.
Remember, you just got out of prison. Outlaw, the whole time stuck enough. Done a lot of things, but you never do enough. Enough is enough. You can stop doing drugs. Enough is enough. You can stop doing drugs. I don't know what's happening. You're twisted antagonist. Cause I am one of the contaminate my precious self. I know.
Okay, thank you. Now I'm gonna bring this. Many have destroyed them. No, this one. Mkpụrụ mmiri emena ha alụ. Mkpụrụ mmiri, hey, Tofia. As kwa na ha bụ ụmụ nwoke. Now they are men, our Igbo men. Look at somebody. Not a radio Biafra, according to, is it Rapture Biafra? I don't know which one it is, but it's one of those ones that Mazi was using to be broadcasting for us. And the Mazi now the kind of formidable leader. Radio Biafra us now saying that Radio Biafra is where we worship. And all these ones is now they have corrupted it. They have corrupted it. And I say to you, if you continue listening to these people, this Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, this Ndi Igbo freedom fighters, people that call themselves freedom, they are Igbo freedom fighters. And trust me now, whenever, if you're Igbo freedom fighters, what do you have to offer? Come on. Oh my God, what is going on? No, don't go out. What is going on? What did I do? If you are Igbo freedom fighters, what do you have to offer? Nothing. I'm bringing this. If you are Igbo freedom fighters, you don't have, there's nothing for you to offer people like us. There's nothing. Go and be smoking your Igbo be them. Let me bring, where is that one? Okay, yes, I have it here. Okay, I'm bringing it. This thing, watch Igbo freedom fighters. As they are smoking Igbo, who does a thing like this? Who does a thing like this, disgracing themselves? And they say they are fighting our freedom. They are fighting for your freedom. These people say they are freedom fighter. Oh, these people call themselves freedom fighter. Hey, yeah, Ebe. Is that the one? Yes. Now I'm bringing it. Hold on. Look at free fighters. And you are joining this ex-DOS. I'm sorry for you. If you are joining them, if you are supporting them, support their club of Igbo, club of Ndi Igbo, club of Ndi Igbo. You are supporting club of Ndi Igbo. Sorry, all of them need brain reset. Brain reset. Let me the talker. Am I there? I hope this is going to play well. Or let me show you how. Let me show supporter of Ndi Igbo. Okay, now play. Now start playing. Supporter of Ndi Igbo, look, come and make una come see now Igbo people. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Look at the people that is fighting for you. Look at the people that you are saying with US is wise. Look at the people that are wise. Look at wise people. Wise. Come on, the hacker. Look at the clap from the wise people. Then can I declare for them? Where is that play? Play for the wise people, eh? US is wise. Come on now, play. I hope voice is gonna come. Nakuya. Hold on, let me pause it. Let me go back again. Man, I see una freedom fighter. Una freedom fighter is coming again. It's online smoking for now. Here, freedom fighters, and then I fight through the freedom. DOS are wise. They are wise people. They know what they are doing. Yeah, look. They know what they are doing. They are wise now. DOS, they are wise. Yes, they will get us freedom. Yes, so we have to join them. We have to support them. You guys, we that is saying this, what they are doing is wrong. You guys are just making noise. These are the main freedom fighters. These are the people that is fighting for your freedom. These are the people that will get to Biafra that you are looking for. This is one of them. This is somebody came online on radio Rapture TV. He came on Rapture TV and started smoking ham Igbo, smoking Igbo on radio on Rapture TV. Where Mazin Nandeka no used to. So they who knows, maybe they didn't show it on Biafra radio, on Biafra radio Biafra. Continue going there to be listening to radio Biafra. Look at the people that is fighting here. These are the freedom fighters. Freedom fighters. He's a coordinator. No, they say he's national what? National coordinator of Italy. This is your national coordinator of Italy. Hey, the freedom. Is the voice there? Why is the voice not there? Please bring the voice. I need the voice. Where did I post it? No, I can't post it. Where is the voice? Where is the voice? Where is it? The voice is supposed to come up. What is going on? Why? If the voice is not coming up, I'm going to play it from my side. I don't care. Why? What do you do?
Later, give me request, not now, just later. Let me just say something. We can make the request later.
And the freedom
Okay?
fighters are using freedom fighters.
I'll just start it now, just later. If it is necessary, later now.
Freedom fighters.
You can remove this one, so later you will request again. I can be able to see you.
National coordinator. This is your national coordinator. This person now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they removed the person that was there before. They removed the person. Only still only my here not there before. And this you are the traitors, this cabal, this the most, these evil souls people, this they decided to replace the person that was there before. They replaced with this one. Then the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told them, bring back the person that was there before. Bring back the person that was there before, because that person did not agree with them, did not dance to their tone. The person said, I am not going to support what you guys are doing. I am not going to be part of what you are doing. It is not fair. It is not right. Against Maz, because the person was asking them question. The person was saying, what you guys are doing is not supposed to be so. Do you know what they did? They removed the person that was there before, and they now brought to Onyibo. These are the people they need. This is the people they need. This is the people that is going to get to their freedom. They now brought in the Igbo. They now brought in I don't forget the I call them. They now brought them. These are the people that is fighting for your freedom. Up online. Look at the way he came out online and smoking weed and smoking Igbo, smoking Mkpuru Mmiri, because onye na Mkpuru Mmiri ka ha na-aṅụ. Onye agwụ ya na-akpọrọ mfio na-akpọrọ unu kpọpụrụ unu ya. Kpọpụrụ unu kpọpụgoro unu ya. Kọbara anyị aka ndị na-fight unu freedom a ga-enwetara unu ya. Today kata n'echi. These are the people that DOS recruited. SDOS recruited such people. Look at the people that will get you freedom that you say you're looking for. You know, these are the intelligent people that you have in this freedom that will get you, that will go and meet international community. This man now, look at, can this person be able to go to meet the chancellor in Italy as a national coordinator? Can he do it? He can't. Can this person now meet anybody that has a position in Italy and be able to sit down and talk about their freedom to them? Can he do that? This is the kind of people. When you listen to him, you see as a Mokwaro, how did this happen? These are the people. These are the people that you say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, I do not want such person. Remove him. And this is the order he gave these evil souls. He told them, please remove this person. This person does not want to be a national coordinator. National, I am telling you, not even that he's just a coordinator in one zone. It's a national Italian coordinator. This is the person that is leading you. This is your leader. This is one of your leaders. This is the person that these evil souls, cabal, evil souls in this struggle, called Chinas and Chikine Dozigim, the evil souls, Chinas and more evil. These are the people that they're leading. And when the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu asked them to do something, they said they will not do it because their main purpose, their aim is to destroy. Their aim is for him not to come out. Their aim is for him to languish in prison. That is their deal. Nothing else. Here, let me play this for you to listen. This is the way he's smoking his Igbo. When they smoke, up online. Now Igbo. Now gini. He doesn't care. These are the people that is fighting for your freedom. Where is it? Continue to play for the supporters of Ndi Igbo. All of them need brain. Supporters of Ndi Igbo. Oh, you need play. Is it coming?
Yeah, boy, watching it. I can see you approval.
Let me forward it. Is that place forward? Come on, play.
So people are pained. You work away some of our people. That's why you see them today. and encouraging people not to pay money.
Everything that Simon had been doing, he aborted your meeting scheduled with
and people, because of that betrayal, because of that finish, which
aborted your meeting scheduled with Mba.
Built for more than 13 years now, for more than 13 years or 12 years, thereabouts. And encouraging people not to pay money, encouraging people to leave the struggle. And people, because of that betrayal, because of that finish, which I don't blame people that is no longer paying money now.
How can people pay money to
If at all, I hear me. I can have wounded the radio today. I can have wounded the
freedom fighters
go today. So people are pained.
Many freedom fighters, Igbo freedom fighters, and you are listening to these people. You are also the same with them. If you have time, if you are listening to these people, mad dogs always. That one will go on Radio Biafra. He'll be barking like a mad dog. Ezibo mad dog, he lose the mad dog. He'll be barking, and you are listening to them, and you are saying DOS are wise. We must die with DOS. Go and die with Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Go and die with them. Leave Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and us that we are still supporting him till when we see this end of this Biafra. But go and die with them. Best of the same feather. You all are the same feather. Go join with them and be doing your Mkpuru Mmiri and be doing your Igbo. These are the people that is leading you. Imagine you imagine you can even go to school. You don't have common sense. Most of them are educated. They say they go to school, but they have no common sense, because the common sense is before you have it here, just imagine the kind of person he came out online, start smoking, and then addressing you, the followers on the Biafra. We are on Biafra people addressing you and smoking. Who does a thing like that? Have you seen a normal person come out to address people that he's leading smoking? This is one of your national coordinator, national, not even okay, a coordinator, smoking. Freedom fighter. What else do you expect? These are the people, when they come out to talk, what they talk is blackmailing, because they have nothing to offer you. All they do is fabricating lies, blackmailing, and asking you to pay money. Now he's complaining. I say people are not paying. Who will go and use his or hard-earned money and be given to people like this? For what? Why will people pay money to you guys? Anyone that pays money to you, just wasting the money. The person is just wasting the money that especially, how can you be paying money to people like this? Now he's complaining that people are not paying. If you like, go and pay. Go and pay for Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Pay your money to Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri ndị Igbo. You're gonna have both the same. Ndị na-aṅụ Igbo, ndị na-eji Mkpuru Mmiri eme freedom. You're wasting your money. This people cannot lead you any. In short, Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri fukifu. Ka nwetara gị egwu ama egwu metiwu na ebe a ka ifu ka Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri si agba egwu. Ọ na Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri enwekwu common sense. Egwu na-akụ ọzọ, ha na-agba ọzọ. Ha na-eme ọzọ. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, go pay your money to them. Ha na-akụ ọzọ, ha na-akụ ọzọ. Ihe ya pụta na-akọ bụ maazị asịkwa ha, because ha bụ Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. They are Igbo. When they smoke Igbo, gịnị again fọziri? When they don't smoke Igbo, come out of like, what else do you expect them to talk? How can they talk something reasonable? How can they talk something? That's why they will come out and be fighting Mike Andrew and be fighting anyone that talk about the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. These are the kind of people that you are following, and you tell me that DOS is white. We must follow them. Or you don't need to be. I don't even need to address you now. Onye Mkpuru Mmiri, please follow your Onye Mkpuru Mmiri. Onye Mkpuru Mmiri, please follow them. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, they have recruited Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Ndị na-akọ ka ndị na-akọ na-ahasa akọpụ ndị na-Mkpuru, and now the evidence is there, because we can now see that ndị a bụ Mkpuru Mmiri ka ha na-aṅụ, and ndị ọbụla na-aṅụ Mkpuru Mmiri sense ha dịkwuozi enweghị ihe. They have nothing to offer, and any Mkpuru Mmiri be leading you. I am sorry for you, very, very sorry for you for joining the Mkpuru Mmiri. Now look at. Let me continue to play so I can listen to what this man is saying. That is how come such. He's a coordinator, my dear. This person is a national coordinator in Italy. This is the person. Mazi say, remove this person. Remove this person. How can you add? How can you go and bring such this kind of human being to be leading an organization? What does this person have to offer? I am asking. What does he have to offer? Let me play what he's saying. Listen to what he's saying. I hope you guys are listening.
Can away some of our people. That's why you see them today. They are not bringing their money. They are trying to make sure they bring a very good proof to make sure that Nahama Ebego Hanaga. But yesterday I was listening to our sister yesterday. I tried to discuss with the leadership this morning. Even Mazitinasa will still touch on that on first, which is I think Friday should be first.
Okay.
Because
now the head of Mkpuru Mmiri man, that one, which are Mkpuru Mmiri, the head of Mkpuru Mmiri man will come out and address you all, address his followers in the Mkpuru Mmiri. The head of Mkpuru Mmiri man, that once he take that Mkpuru Mmiri, once he come on Radio Biafra, forget it. It's not a mad dog. Or not a bark. That is how mad dog barks. The way Chinasamoru barks is the way mad dogs bark. Is not a. He doesn't have the quality of a leader. It doesn't. It's not on him. It's not in him. You cannot ever compare this with people like Mazin and the Kanu. When the Mazin and Kanu come out to talk on Radio Biafra, and your side there with a pen, go and bring your pen and papers. And we are there to learn, and we are learning a lot, and we are learning a lot. We are learning so much. He was educating us a lot. He was teaching us so many things that when I hear, I say, so this is what really happened. Do I even know everything about Nigeria before? That I know nothing. Mazen Nandekano was the one using the Radio Biafra, opening our eyes. Then when these Mkpuru Mmiri people, when they enter this weed, Ndi Igbo people, Ndi Igbo need to grow their bread. When they come on Radio Biafra, what you'll be hearing is, then this you be see Chinasamoru will be fabricating one lie or blackmailing people. Propaganda and blackmail. That is what they rule. That is what they do. Nothing you will learn from it. So what is the point of you going there to listen? And somebody say, we must go and be listening because you are all the same, birds of the same feather. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri versus Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. When Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri versus Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, how do we now call them? These are the Mkpuru Mmiri that is leading you. These are the people that you say they are going to give you Biafra. Oh, we don't need the Mazin and the Kano anymore. What we need is now Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri US and the US and Kita, no work and Kita and the Mkpuru Mmiri, they will give you Biafra. These are the people that will give you Biafra. Let me play, listen. Keep listening to what he's saying. What's going on? Play then.
There's no much money coming in IPO. Imagine this DOS managing the little money that is coming in this struggle now. Imagine that. Imagine the money that have been wasted for more than a decade now. So imagine that. Imagine what have been happening. If I tell you how much is coming, and which I'm here to clear a little bit, because most of us do wait for DOS to come and talk. So it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Why it doesn't work that way, I will explain. When the rendition of Mazin and the Kalo, all of us, all of you, we are targeting that it was DOS, which today, those people kept silent, got prevailed, and everybody understand what really happened. My brothers, all of us are
story.
Because we might misunderstand them. Remember that Nela was attacking heavily. Simon Eber was attacking heavily. And all the rest. They were attacking this DOS heavily. Kalonta was attacking heavily that time, without knowing that he has a backup from the brother, which is Mazin Nande. Today, all these men have passed through all these things. Now, let me talk about the account. I have said this all the time. The only thing is
on their behalf, because they now remove the one that was there, and they now replace with him. So he's speaking on their behalf. He's energizing them. He's praising them. He's applauding them. He's appreciating them. He is doing everything for his masters. Those that recruited him. Those that installed him to be national coordinator in Italy. After they have removed the person that will be like a thorn in their flesh, that's somebody that you cannot manipulate anyhow. You cannot brainwash anyhow. He's a man of his own. He has what to say. He knows what to say. He knows how to ask you questions. They removed the person and they added this Igbo man. They added the people like them. They Abuhanguchi Igbo. Whatever you said goes. They Abuhanguchi Igbo. They will be dancing. They will be dancing. Let me show you how Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri is dancing. This is how they dance. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. They don't care. Whatever you want to do. We will. So once they have taken the Igbo, this is the way they'll be dancing. Let me bring it. See here. This is how they'll be dancing. You see? Let me show you. Hold on. I'm continue to play this verse. This is how Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. And I feel this is how they dance. They see them. Yeah. They say, once they're taking the Igbo, madness don't start now. This is madness now. This is how it is. Where is up? Once they're taking the Igbo, this is how they are dancing. People like him now. This is the way they are dancing. Once they have taken the Igbo, this is how they are dancing. They don't reason anymore. Whatever DOS said goes. Anything DOS said goes. Whether DOS or nuance now, no goes. In your DOS goes. Once they are taking that Igbo, they'll be dancing like this. They don't care. What is this struggle? That's why he's praising them. That's why he's saying, appreciating them. That's why he's applauding them. For what? If this person is a normal person, because this person his brain has been damaged with common sense. So let me continue to play what he's talking about. He's praising his master.
People do find small excuse to
no way. Why? I hope you guys are listening.
To hold hand, not to say I will not pay my monthly dues. Anybody, he can bring out or he can withdraw the hand clock back of the money which you have been paying since 2012 down to today. When we talk about monthly dues, it's not all about only monthly dues. There is a huge amount of monies which have been paid in IPOB today. He can withdraw the clock back. So it's not this one we are going to be bringing for.
What's going on? Are you seeing how they dance now? My brother, mom,
or DOS or the ESN to sustain themselves. Now we are in agriculture. Those boys are farming seriously. Part of their training is farming to make sure that if you don't know.
Priority. This is how the Mkpuru Mmiri behave now. What it cause the Mkpuru Mmiri? The Mkpuru Mmiri dance like this. I've shown you. This is the way they dance. The Mkpuru Mmiri don't reason. They have forgotten the Biafra struggle they are talking about. What they are now into is farming, where they will be collecting money from you and be squandering it and be embezzling it. That is the thing, embezzling it. They have nothing anymore to talk about. That's why do you hear them talk about the Mazin and Kano freedom? No, all you hear about them saying we have done Osno acquit and discharge. Mazin and Kano siblings, they are iniquity. They are the one that's stopping it. This is in Haji. Where I mean they will be using it and be doing farming. We will not see. After this, go ask them what the thing they farm. Where is it? They don't have. They will tell you one story or the other, and you continue to be contributing money to the Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Sorry for you now. Sorry. Yeah, sorry, it's your own. Any money you give Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri will use it and go and smoke more. That is the thing. Give him more money. You guys smoke more money. We use it to go smoke. Use it to judge up because how do you get addicted to it? There's nothing they can do, nothing to offer. Any money you give in the Murumiri, they will use it to go and buy more Murumiri and be smoking. This is the people, that is it. And you are telling me that this people is going to give you freedom. These people are ready to give you Biafra without Mazina the Kanu. Mazina because you go one side and rest. These are the Murumiri. That's why Murumiri will come out and be attacking and not join. Anybody that talk about Biafra, anybody that mention anything about Biafra, international community, I don't even know whether they don't want international community. Who, you can't get this freedom on your own. You have to reach out to people. You have to reach out to international community. They have to speak on your behalf. They have to talk. They have to. My dear, that's what they are. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, and want anything to offer. I have sang a song before. That is what they are. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Continue listening.
Those boys are farming seriously, farm. So Hageli, they are doing these things for me and you. They cannot eat everything. Have farm this year. I look at some of us. I look at some of you. So if I got my bag, I'm on my 50 euro or 100 euro. I will even look at a channel work only. Not everything. So what I'm saying today, I know it's very painful for what have passed all this white into our nose. We didn't understand very easy. But we must, that little one that believe in what we are doing, we must continue to make sure that this struggle, if without money, the struggle have collapsed.
Give them money.
That is the truth. Without money.
Smoky.
So, you are encouraging on social media, you are encouraging everywhere without bringing that 1 naira. How do you want them to go on? How do you want this struggle to?
Kudos to you guys that you are now reasoning. Kudos to you guys that have understand that these people are out to destroy our leader, Mazen Nandekanu. They are enemies. They are paid agents. Kudos to you that you have known that these people don't need any money because the money you are giving them, they do not use it for anything. The one you contributed, they use it for the Mkpuru. They use it. Hangucha Mkpuru Mmiri haputa online where we are now. Imagine a regional national coordinator came online, on a regional coordinator, a national, and you tell me that these people they have something to offer you. I am sorry for you if you are supporting them. Gonna happen the Mkpuru Mmiri.
Go forward. That means the enemy have even won the battle. Because that is exactly what they are looking for. Now today, I want to assure you, like I said, Mazi Chinasa is going to touch all those places if you remember. Because you have a lot of things to touch. Only many things on that touch na broadcast here. But I want to assure all of you that your money is a very good and safe hand. Before it was nobody can any organization open an account, only him. Nobody. Once his organization. The account when it was opened in Germany, it was 3 people, yes. But because of it was 3 people, they noticed that they can't do it alone. The 3 people were signed into that account. But gradually, they removed all of them. Remaining only Nene.
Nobody removed them. They went.
Which they even tried to remove Collins Chinedu.
Nobody removed them.
Allegation of credit card and
the other. You guys are lying. Nobody removed them. They were there. It was them that went to they used fake signatory, and then Nene got the alert. They used fake signatory. Nobody removed them. Don't ever lie. Stop, you guys to stop lying. This with smokers. With smokers, deceiving our people all this while, lying to them that you guys are fighting for freedom since the Mazi Nakan was redemption. But people did not realize that what we were telling them then, because I saw that you guys have nothing to offer. I saw it on time. I said, I'm not going to join any of you anymore. I said no. And I was pleased that I was not part of you then. And I said, how can these people have no truth in them. They have not, the next thing is to remove you. That is what Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri does. When he also, smoke weed in them because they're not reasonable.
Because he was the only one remaining. Because without calling Chinedu, they can never do anything there. Today, that thing have come again. That is the assurance I'm coming here to give you. Believe it and keep this video today I'm making. The IPOB Family Worldwide account is in a server hand. No matter the little money that is coming into there today, it's well controlled and used properly how it's supposed to be. It's not
as a national coordinator. Your money is in a safer hand. Your money is in a safer hand. Can you, as a normal human being, my hair, that you know you are working hard, take your money and go give people like this, and give people like this a national coordinator of Italy to hold your money? Can you do it? Can you do it? Unless it is in the that is why, if not, and a normal human being that you are very sensible, you know your frontal lobe is working, you can think far, you know that you are working hard, and you now take your money to go give I am sorry for you now. Your money is gone. That is why their money is gone. That's why the Murumiri cannot do nothing. Freedom fighters in the Murumiri. That's what you guys will be calling them from henceforth. We calling them Murumiri for freedom fighters. Murumiri, that's what they are. Osnahana fight freedom. They're not fighting for freedom because they're fighting for freedom. Fight the freedom fighter.
Only one person that do see that can. Not only even one person. There are 3 signatories in the account.
The signatories. That's where I wanted to play. That's where he said, mention about Mazin and kind of something that I want to play. Oh God, why it's not coming again? What happened? Is it freezing or what?
Number 1, to pay the school fees of the son of Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. Because that payment we are talking about is still the money of IPOB, which is normal. So who is Kalunta? Not even if they are telling us it's quite acceptable. And I'm going to be more angry because it's our money. She needs to do whatever they ask her to do. But not coming from Kalunta.
You guys.
Are you telling me that Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is not aware of those things?
Hold on.
He's aware of all those things.
So Mazin Kanu, let me call. The money they're talking about that is Nenaya is holding. The money they are the ones that went and they are the ones that went to grab forged signatory to remove the money, and the money was blocked. And they were also saying they say that they are trying their best to retrieve the money. But they also say there is no other money. There is no money. And they are not saying they are trying their best to retrieve the money. Which money are they trying to retrieve? Please, you guys should be answering. Which money, again, did they say they want to retrieve back? Whereas they say there is no money in the account. And then now he's saying again that the money, how can Nenayanya remove money from account to pay Mazin Kanu son's school fees? Because if the money, if the account is blocked, if they block the money, before they can open the money, before they can open the account again, it's going to be like the people that signed it before, we have to come and sign again. Or somebody, there must be a way out. How can they do that? You guys caused it. It is your fault. You did it all. So tell me, how do you expect Nenayanya to go and remove the money that the bank is holding? How do you have that? Because of you guys, because of you did it. You went and signed and forged signatory to get the money out, and it backfired. And then how do you expect Nenayanya to go back to the account if it's not the one person that have to do it? If it can't be, if the money is bank is block it, how do you expect her to get the money and pay Mazin Kanu's son's school fees? How do you expect that to happen? That you are paying the school fees, you are not using it as a leverage. That is what you are paying. And how about how many years have you supported the Mazin Kanu? No, you haven't. And listen to what he said here. He said the Mazin Kanu knew that they are not paying his son's school fees, and he's happy about it. Which father do you think people think Mazin Kanu is so evil and wicked? Which father we knew that his son is not being paid, the school fees of his son is not being paid, and then he will not do anything about it? Because I'm saying, the school the boy is going is a private school. unless they put the boy in a private school. As it is now, if the boy is in a private school, that's why they have to pay school fees. If the boy is not in a private school, the school fees is free. And also, even here in Ireland, and the school they go to, they give them when they resume, let's say they are on vacation and they resume, they pay them back to school. I think they call it back to school allowance. They pay parents to go and buy books and buy whatever they needed for the children to return back to school. Unless you are working, unless your parents is two people are working and they are earning the threshold, the amount they are earning is more higher, they will not get anything. But if both parents are not working, definitely they are qualified to get that benefit. So I don't know more about the one in England. If it's not the same, because I believe in Ireland and England, they work hand in hand together. So I don't know more about it, but as it stands, so they say that they're not paying Martin Kanu school son's fee. My own is that Kanu Takano, this is your brother's. I'm not here. This is your brother's son. It is your brother's son. Even if you guys are having issue with with Mazna Kanu Uchechi, so it's as it is. If Uchechi cannot be able to take care of that boy, it is your responsibility as family to support your brother's son. That's what I'm saying. Because this is the same people that say IPOP is not a family business, but they are now peddling into family business. But they are the ones saying IPOP is not a family business, but they are now peddling into family business, family affair. But they are the ones shouting, IPOP is not a family business. Mazin Kanu is eating our money. So you want the same family business for them to be paying you school fees, for you to take money, but you are shouting IPOP is not a family business. My own advice is for Kanu Takano and the Kanu's family. Please, this is your son's, your brother's son. If the school fees in England is not for free, or if he's going to a private school, you guys have to support to pay your brother's fee. You understand? You guys have to know how to do it. Forget that, even if you guys are having problems with Uchechi, for the sake that boy is only one child. It's not two. They only have one child. So I believe you can do something good, something. Forget about whatever is happening between you and Uchechi. You guys, the family of Kanuta should take care of that boy. It is their responsibility as their brother is in prison. We don't want this issue of it's an IPOP family. It's not a family business. According to them, these are the same people now coming out to be saying we want to go and be paying. We are paying Mazna and Kanu's son's fee, and they will be using it as a leverage. They'll be using it now to be attacking a Maz. They'll be using it to be saying Maz. Look at what this one say, that Mazin Kanu knew that his son's school fees is not being paid, but the boy is not out of school. Is the boy out of school? I don't think so. So if he says his son's school fees is not being paid, you guys are paying it. Enough of let the family take care of it. Maybe Maz Kanu is there. He never knew that. Maybe I don't know whether his wife Uchechi told him that the son is not getting his school fees not paid. There must be a way out for that boy to be, for the money for school fees to be paid, for him to be paid, for him to be getting his school fees paid. If it's a private school. But if it's a public school, there's no need of paying school fees. But if there is, if this is a private school, what am I saying? Let Mazna and Kanu brothers sort it out. I am pleading because this is your brother's son.
Because she want to frustrate that woman so that she will frustrate this woman to belong wherever they belong to.
So that woman belongs to you guys. Uchechi belongs to you because of money. You see, I don't want to go deep into this matter. But if it's for me, I know what to do. I will have my own say. Nobody pushes me around where to belong. I will say, I will belong to where there is truth. I will not belong to where they are destroy my husband. Because she cannot tell me that recently she's not seeing everything that is going on online. that she's not listening to everything that's happening, and then she still continue to belong to you guys. If she continue to belong to you guys, there's something wrong. Something is going on somewhere. She cannot tell me that she's not seeing everything you guys are doing to this man that he says is her husband, and then she belongs to them. If she belongs to them, something is really going on. Something is wrong. Let us tell ourselves the fact. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Yeah? Let us be sincere here. You understand? So you guys are doing that so that she can belong to you. That's why you pick up to be paying her son's school fees, so that he can belong to you, so that he can be supporting you. Even when you guys are doing evil, when you guys are attacking the man that he called her, he says he's her husband, so that she can continue to belong, because that's why she belongs to you guys. That's why she belongs to you guys. But let her conscience be judging her, because she cannot belong to where they are calling her husband all manner of name. It's not fair. It's not fair. She cannot belong to where they are calling her husband all manner of name, saying all evil things against him, and he belongs to you guys. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. We are taking it as a leverage because she belongs to you. That's why you guys are using it to be deceiving.
Actually, no, they want to make sure that that woman is there, but because of the truth and how she grew up, regardless, she said no. Enough is enough. I will not allow you to destroy this man again. After all these allegations, after all the whole thing, after I have searched and checked, these guys, this DOS did not do you anything. I will not allow you to do it. That was only problem that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu gave that order to stop the account, the school fees of that child, not Kalunta. Just to frustrate that woman.
You see, that Mazen Kanu say he should stop the account. Mazen Kanu, that is his own. Mazen Kanu will say, stop account, stop paying money to my son. You guys should not take care of my son. How kind of nonsense talk is that? How are you accusing him for nothing? Mazen Kanu said his own son, the only son that he does have, the only son of his. He said, don't pay his money. Don't. But I thought they said the boy is scholarship. I thought there's scholarship because they said, all those things we are seeing online, is it fake? Are they fake? Because I thought they said it's on scholarship. If it's on scholarship, then what is the point of you guys claiming that you're paying for school fees? Because I don't know. This is what I saw. I saw that he was on scholarship. That he's on scholarship. Is this still not on scholarship? So how come you guys are saying you are paying the fee, the school fees? If somebody's on scholarship doesn't need school fees. And as the situation is now, Mazen Kanu is not there. And the government of Britain, they knew that the father is not around. And Uchechi can claim a single parent or whatever if she wants. Or maybe she's working. Then even if she's working and claiming a single parent, they can pay her. They can be paying her some money to be supporting her. It's happened here in Ireland. Is that one different? However, the government, even here in Ireland, if you are single and compared to her situation, has the house rent should be free where she's living. I am telling you, unless she's not claiming for those things. As a single mother, because I heard her that she said she's a coach, doing a coach thing. But though they will calculate how many people are your income, and then they will know how to support you. The government will know how to support you. It's not like Nigeria. This is abroad. This is not like Nigeria. The government will know how to support, especially Mazen Kanu case now. They knew that whatever she said to them, they knew that her husband is in prison. And they will give her all the support. That is it. It is there. The government will do it. I don't know why you guys are using this thing as a leverage, for her to be because of that, she has to be with you guys. I don't understand. For that, because of that, she has to be with those people that are out to destroy her husband. That is, I don't understand. Seriously, I don't. Because there's other options. There's a lot of options.
The proverb, as I always do say, that mother in if you are peeping, your head will be coming out. That is where we are seeing in this struggle today, because the evil that is happening in this struggle have taken another dimension which most people doesn't understand or don't know what is really going on. So today I am going to discuss and give important information if you really understand what I'm saying, because I'll be saying it on code. On code. I'll be saying it on code. I just want to find something, if I can see them. So, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu
Listen.
never trusted these people since 2019. He was just pretending to trust this leadership.
Yeah, that's why he said.
If you go to Caroline Okora for today, she told that lady, which I have the voice.
Play.
Me personally, I have the voice.
Play it.
Of Caroline, the secretary or whatever.
We are no longer saying you have. Play it. We are not.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot deny such a thing. Here you bring us out and say we are whiter than snow, or whatever you will call it. You force us to take oath, which I don't even know if you are even on the oath. Or even any of your family took that oath with us. I'm not sure, because I'm going to need confirmation.
Because they believe that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is online.
Today,
these people, this Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, these Mkpuru Mmiri people, these weed smokers, they believe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is online. That's why they call all those boys, all those people they see on their account, Chimu Ibuhan and Ike David Ikena, that is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. A person in prison can be online in Nigeria. If it's in abroad, I will even doubt. I will say, okay, possibilities there at least. But abroad, it can't be online. It can't be online even in abroad. In prison abroad, it can't be online because they are monitoring you. They only allow you to call your family. Only allow you to call there's a time for you to make a call. And I believe that is also the same thing in Nigerian prison, because I have worked there before. You are only allowed to make a call. You're only allowed to come out and make a call and call your family. So how can they believe that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is out there listening to all this trash they are saying? Every time they are saying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are calling him. They say he's listening. He knows he's listening to them. All these people are just Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri with their neck, with that Mkpuru Mmiri woman too. That woman also is Mkpuru Mmiri. All of them, they are all smokers. They are weed smokers. Because they can, somebody in prison, you expect the person. Nigeria government told them that Mazi Kanu should never have any gadget, anything to, and then they are always coming up and they are saying, Mazi Kanu, you are listening, listen to what I'm saying, Hi, even the people that go to visit Mazi Kanu, they will not allow them to enter with phone. They don't allow prisoners, they don't allow visitors to enter with phone. Unless Nigeria prison have changed. But when I was there working with Nigeria prison, they don't allow them to come in. They don't allow visitors to come with phone. You have to keep your phone. If you are coming with gadgets, you have to put them in the reception and then enter and go see the person. And then they bring the person and you and him or her discuss and then go. What kind of people are you that you think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is listening to everything? So he'll be listening to all this madness you guys are exhibiting online. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, look at what you guys are talking every time, passing message to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, listen.
You bring men outside, anybody that talk from underground, they threaten you, they burn your house. Because you want to say the truth, just to scare you away, or just for you not to say the truth. And this is exactly how the government of North Korea is ruling the Koreans, the Northern Korea. You don't dare talk about Kim Jong-un or Jambu or whatever his name is. You don't ever.
Oh.
You are with the highest scam of all this century, which Mazi Nnamdi Kanu played on us. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you are working with. You have been working with.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu play scam on you guys, and they take record that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu play scam on them, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu play scam on me. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu only play scam on those ESDOS, and they're recruited, and then Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri and then the because they have joined the group of the attachment seller in Ghana. According to them, they say it's in Ghana, and also Udele, and also all these few people that are against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They have joined their group. They have joined it. That's why he said Mazi can play them the highest scam. I don't know what scam he played to you guys. A man that is still in prison, that is still saying, no, Biafra, I am not coming out. Unless I see Biafra before I come, even if I die, I die. You are not saying he played you scam. Who played you scam? It is China Sanworu. They are the one playing you scam. Don't you ever try it, because our leader never played us scam. He played you. If you guys that are talking this because you are Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, you are weed. That's why you say the Mazi play you scam. Imagine the highest scam the Mazi played. Then he's not calling Biafra as a scam. You see, he have joined them. And all of you that are defending the duels, and all of you that are supporters of these evil duels, you are still there because you need the brain reset. You need brain overhaul. Your brain is not functioning well because you have damaged all of you brain. All of you that are supporting these duels. That somebody like this will come, somebody that call himself a national coordinator, says the Mazi can play them, because this is the person, they remove the person, the Mazi they have before, and they put in this cabal, put in this one, and then this one is not dancing to their tone, and they say Mazi can play them scam. What about this? If you guys are tired, you don't want to be belong, what you should do is pack your load and luggages and leave. If you don't want to continue fighting for this freedom, go one side and wait. Whenever Mazi cannot come out, calculate how much you paid, and it will be reimbursed back to you. The money will be reimbursed back. What's the point of you now coming to say, instead of you, if you are tired, if you are sacked, or if you are sacked, or if you are tired, if not because you guys are getting something, there's something really that you guys want because of money involved. Apart from that, if you are working in an organization and they say you are sacked, or they say you should go on retirement, or they say you should go leave, what you do is to leave. Then take the organization. If they sack you unjustly, take them to court. But in this situation, they don't want to go. They want to fight. They said they will fight to the finish. They will fight the Mazi to the end. You guys are there. And then the people that are saying, Onyendu, our leader, they are applauding them and supporting them, and said some of them, not all of them, because those that are supporting them, they are also evil like them. Evil support evil. That is the thing. Evil support evil. There's no how a person with a good conscience will support you guys and what you guys are doing to our leader. It's not going to happen. So he now said the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu played is not Biafra. That's Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a fraud. That Biafra is a fraud. Okay, what else? After all, Nelly and others say it, and Sophia and others said it. So if you said it, that's fine. This is not the first time we are hearing it. Let it not be a surprise to you all that they said it, because we must have a fallout. We must have wolves in our midst. We must have wolves in sheep clothing. We must have people that must fall apart. It's always like that in every struggle. So you guys be strong. Don't let these people, kind of make your mind feel like, what is the point? Continue, do what you are doing. Forget about them, because at the end, about also I got go mine. You go about also I got go mine. Let me continue, because I will soon end this.
With what is he called? The Masop leader, which is what is the name again? The Masop leader. Oh my God. I will remember his name. You work with him only because he told you that he want to do plate number of Biafra. He want to do Biafra money. You have a quarrel with him. He said no. That only that was your response to that man. He didn't wait to resolve that issue with him. You pull off from him and started their own. Nobody killed you. You even take us along with you. Who fought was wicked to them.
Don't recruit your own
heavily because of the love we have.
Now it's not time that you guys find out that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu scam you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu defrauded you. All you should do is to go and join the people that are sincere, and then continue with them. Not you say you want Biafra, you go get the Biafra. So what you should do is go and join those people. What is the point of you all saying all this rubbish and attacking and making noise? Maznan Kanu came out from Mazop. He opened his own, and we people started following him. We had his voice. We joined. Why must you stick with him? Why must you be crying? Why must you always be in pain? Why are you all taking Mkpuru Mmiri because of this? Why are you taking weed because of this? You know, because weed will make you to be dancing like this. That the picture, the people that I show you how they dance here. Because if you guys are not taking weed, if you guys are not, if you guys are normal, what you should do, if you have what it takes, if at all you do have what it takes, because I believe why you guys are here fighting, and because you don't have what it takes, because you know, without the mask, like you guys are going nowhere. You guys know, because without the mask, you are going, the people will not look at now, they are crying, people are not giving them money. And they know that without the mask, nobody will listen to them. If not, why can't you go build your own organization? After all, you have opened your own, you have called it, what did you call that your organization you opened? Then bye-bye, go on then. Go on. Bye-bye, please. You know that this man is a fraud. You know that this man is a criminal. You know that this man is a whatever names you have agreed to be calling him. What you should do now, as he did his own, he went and opened, he left, what is it called? He left, what's the name of that guy? He left them, and he started his own IPOP organization, and we started hearing his voice. It took him years before people start believing what he's saying. So what you should do, the same thing, go open your own, go start your own, as you have found out that he is not right. He's not going to be the person to help us get our freedom. He is scamming us. He is doing all these things. What you should do, my dear, go on, as you have opened your own, just do it. And then people will follow you. Those that will follow you because you must have followers. I'm telling you, everybody does have people that will sympathize and follow them. That is the thing in life. Not everybody will hate you. Not all of us hate DOS. There are people that are following them. So go to your own and let those people follow you, and stop all this rubbish. You guys are Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri now. That means you don't have it. You don't have it. If you have something in you, you should just go and open your own and start doing your own business, your own thing, and start defrauding people and start frauding them. For now, Maznan Kanu, I see him. He never defrauded me. He is still standing as a freedom fighter. He is in prison. He is there suffering for Biafra freedom. And I still see him that he has not betrayed. And so I will stand 100% with him. And I know that many millions are standing with him. So go from your own. KK Uda, whatever you guys call their name, you have formed your own already. You can go ahead. I heard that you guys are fighting. That you guys are fighting where you created your own organization. That is how it should be. Make that go resolve the issue. And then carry the people that want to belong with you, that is saying US are wise. Take them along. And then leave us, please, leave us with our leader, Mazin Nandekano. About also Agomai. At the end, we'll know who we win. Because no, we are begging you. We're going to carry on a load and luggages and go meet on a DOS and leave our Onyendu. Stop calling him your Onyendu. And I don't want to see any of you putting his picture on your profile. He's no longer your Onyendu. He's your enemy. Because the way he's not defrauding you guys, and you cannot put a picture of somebody defrauding you, that means you are not normal. It's only Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri and weed that behave like that. That is it. It's only the weed and they behave like that. So leave him and go from your own. Bye no. Bikono. Enough. I'm not gonna go from our own. If you paid any amount, anything you paid, somebody said there's an amount of money somewhere that they will be refunded. Then you had it on Methuselah. Contact Methuselah. Methuselah know the person. They will refund you the one you paid. You have failed. And now back the you know, when you are killing a fowl, you know, when you call the fowl, you see the fowl. When I don't die, I don't die. Understand? I know that place when they want kill fowl, you go kill fowl, go, you know, you fowl, but the piece on our batch, you go the same thing with goat. Now don't die, don't get blood now. Blood don't spill everywhere. Now don't disgrace yourself online. People have noticed. Somebody, one of them is saying they are not attacking. I'm gonna finish this one. Said they're not attacking the Mazin and the Kanu. They are not attacking him. They are telling him, well, they are telling him because he will hear them out. No, Maz doesn't want to hear you guys out. Go and do your own bikono. Unugono. Until you guys are not honorable at all. Unashamed, they shame people. You guys are not honorable. Unashamed, they shame people, unregistered members of IPOP, those that didn't even want to register. They are saying, is that what they could have seen? That thank God they didn't register. So please, make on they go. No, make on they go. Hey, I've forgotten myself by force. Somebody that's coming on a day.
But today, you use your mouth to tell us that a freedom fighter is three things that is holding that freedom fighter. And what is those three things that is holding freedom fighter? Either you are in grave, you are in prison, or you are a dead man. Or you are in exile.
So where is the Mazin then? If you're not Mkpuru Mmiri, you see, that is what the Mkpuru Mmiri costs.
All these things are your words.
Yeah. That's what the Mkpuru Mmiri costs.
When you notice that people are complaining internally, you went to America and pick a microphone, you tell the world that it's not a family business. That IPOB have the mind of their own.
Then why do you want to make it
Today, what we are seeing is not a mind of their own.
Why do you want to make it now a family business? Not a family business. Yes. Then why do you want to make it a family business by paying Mazda kind of wife to son, so that you come out and be bragging about it, so that you can use it to be that she's with you guys because you're paying her school fees, you're paying the son's school fees. That's why she stay with you. Is that a family business? Is that not a family business? Why are you paying the school fees? That is a family business. That is family of Mazi, and you're paying the school fees. Are you guys normal at all? You guys doesn't reason. That's why you are all in the Mkpuru Mmiri, recruited in the Mkpuru Mmiri. Duels recruited in the Mkpuru Mmiri like them. They are coming to this to fight for their behalf, but they have no common sense. Because you are all in the Mkpuru Mmiri. If you are not in Mkpuru Mmiri, how can you say the freedom fighter is so? They mentioned the three places, and definitely that one of them is in Mazi have gone to exile. Mazi is now in prison. How many times have the Nigerian government locked him up? And now he's now in prison, going sentenced to life in prison. So what are you talking about if you are not an Mkpuru Mmiri person? You see, our madness don't they run in their blood. The Mkpuru Mmiri is causing them mad now. They don't even know what they're talking about. They don't know what I'm saying. You see the kind of people that we are, this kind of riffraff, this kind of Mkpuru Mmiri is fighting their freedom. It's
your own mind you want to initiate in IPOB. I'm sorry for my Italian comrades. Don't misunderstand me. Whenever you hear these broadcasts, don't think that, no, I know what I'm saying, I know what I'm doing. Don't worry, we must continue. Ndi Mkpuru is our leader. I pray, I always pour drink on the.
Oh, I don't cry with myself. Look, I play the Mkpuru Mmiri dance. Hi, what did I not start for the Mkpuru Mmiri? Did I hear him say Mazda is his leader? Somebody that is defrauding him is leader. Oh, this is the Mkpuru Mmiri dance. The power. What did I see the Mkpuru Mmiri dance? Is it here? I wish I play it here for you guys to see. Did I hear? If you cannot tell. Where is that one? Where is that one? Make I play for this thing that he said. Make I play that. Okay, this guy play for me.
Kedu ka esi ama onye na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri ka esi ama onye na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri bụ nke mbụ onye na-emu nke ịtọ ala ọpụpụ ya adịgo nso mkpụrụ mmiri a na-agbaghalụ onye na-achọ ịpụ ala mkpụrụ mmiri a na-agbaghalụ onye na-achọ ịpụ ala n'ihi na drọgụ bụ ose agwa m na eziokwu onye ọbụla nke na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri ya apụrịla
onye ọbụla na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri apụọ n'ara. Did I hear him say after he said he was scammed and that Biafra is a fraud and that Mazagan is a fraud as well, and that Mazagan is a criminal and a scammer, and every name he can call him, then he's not saying Maz is still his like leader. Weed, weed. Hey! Yeah, man. Did I hear him say Mazda Kano is still his leader? They can't do without Mazda Kano. Even though they know, because I hear people that he see, Allah, the blood has flowed out, and they see they have nothing. Nothing. And people have seen that they have nothing because happened to Mkpuru Mmiri. Now he said, it's a Mazda Kano is still his leader. After he has called him a fraud, after he has called him a criminal, after he said everything that he is against, he's sacking those sacri, because also family business, now family business. Everything he said about Mazi, he still call him a fraud. He still call him his leader. The show and that my here. The Mkpuru Mmiri ama here. The Mkpuru Mmiri afraid how the Mkpuru Mmiri have problem. They listen. They never had it. Supporters of the US need exactly rehab. Rehab is what they need. They need, where a close place where they need emergency psychiatry. After you have said all things about him now, you call him whatever, and you still say he is still a leader. Hey, Mkpuru Mmiri okay say man. Hey, then I'm Mkpuru Mmiri ndo. Then I'm Mkpuru Mmiri. Then I'm Mkpuru Mmiri kaka say man. The guy started dressing. After you have called it Mazda Kano, whatever you call him, now you still said he's still a leader. Hey, yeah, man. Can I play alone in this voice? What can I make? What can I make? This is for them. The problem
on the soil of anywhere I go. That's good.
Hi, Ojoka. Yeah, Ojoka. Where am I? Play now, because now go play. 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 The Mkpuru Mmiri biko play. What is going on? Why is it not playing again? Oh, Mkpuru Mmiri biko no play now. When Mkpuru Mmiri biko play. What is happening? Why this man is not playing again? I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I can't play this Mkpuru Mmiri. Short. Let me remove this Mkpuru Mmiri and put something else here. Let me remove this Mkpuru Mmiri. Kuna anu there. Na anu de Mkpuru Mmiri. Yeah. Kaiti Kenny agora ha nwere ike agora ha egwu ha daja mkpụrụ mmiri amụrụ ike ịgụrụ ya ndị mkpụrụ mmiri a ka m nweta nke ọzọ afta ka ọ kpọchara maazị na nka n'ihi na ọkpọrọ ya ọsịkwazi ya na n'ọbụ Lidia ụna na mesa wee Chinasa nwere anụkwa ka Chinasa nwere anụkwa na maazị bụrụ ya lida mba maazị abụkwa lida gị Chinasa nwere ya lida biko atara no ever try am onye mkpụrụ mmiri ma no ever try say maazị is your leader don't ever try it maazị is not your leader you go onye mkpụrụ mmiri go find who is your leader not our leader somebody scam mmadụ na ọbụzikwa leader somebody that scam somebody how can I nsị ọtụ mkpụrụ mmiri atụgbọkwa mkpụrụ mmiri nke a na-awụ ọkụkwa final mkpụrụ mmiri ọka isi na-eme ndị mmadụ ị na-emekwu ndị mmadụ adị mad
they burn your house because you want to say the truth, just to scare you away. Mazimandikalo is our leader. He pray I always pour drink on the soil of anywhere I go. That Chama will leave him alive for him to join me because I get me here and win. I'm just saying there now to put
after of course the maazị bụzi scam ya no scam Biafra is a fraud maazị abụrụ ya na biko n'ọnọkụ ya unu na-anụkwa na mesi maazị sa lida unu na-anụkwa
we have lost in this
mere ndị Igbo
online and they're calling me. I don't know. You're here, you're listening to me. I'm talking and they're calling me. Yes.
Oh God, I can't even find what I did here.
So
okay.
Governor the good. Unless they don't believe their money. But today, we try to cover all those things to make sure that things are moving well. And now you believe that you are because you have given those names and that lovely names, wonderful names. You believe that we are fools. You can litter us anywhere you see, you dump us and move away with your family. After all, the money is there now. But what all of you believe is Nigeria will give you amnesty like your solid Okubo and protect you with men so that we don't near the place. Chukwu Kadiama has the way of doing his things. It might not go well with me. If I do something wrong with their fans, another person will do it, it will go well. Because we're not here. What I'm saying today is to call your attention back. So what is going on. For you to understand and rethink and know that men have died in this struggle. Men lost their inheritance house.
That one. Una men and Google. When we put out when it's West Rochina Samoru, when they destroy our leader. When they destroy China Samoru, knows cabals. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri na that one. Na kwa ya na enyi ya nwoke si o si ha na na kwa ya ka play with
section that he has put himself in. So but the truth of the matter is that
A lot of people see what we are doing as attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Oh,
it is not attack of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What we are doing is to see how we can send a clear message to him about things that he doesn't know. Because if people like us still believe that to some extent he doesn't know. You listen to the story that he was told. And there is no other way we can send the message across the room than what we are doing now. So I don't understand the implication.
The message. So that this will not Mkpuru Mmiri because the way they talk, you know that now Mkpuru Mmiri. Now Hane make weed in the Mkpuru Mmiri. You know, Elson, we want to send a clear message to him by attacking him, by calling him names, by saying he's a fraud, by saying he's a criminal, by saying he should die in prison, by saying he should never come out from prison, by saying he has betrayed you all, by saying he's a and them they haven't called our leader. And then they say they want to send a message that it's a sort of attack. Nah, and Mkpuru Mmiri nke men and the mother alo. Hey! Well, also these are the kind of calibers, the timber caliber men, and they do us now. We don't want to we don't need him. We're gonna get you guys the Biafra we are looking for. We don't need him. This is the people. The coordinator of Italy, national coordinator ha niile ndị Italy na-anwụpụta ha Mkpuru Mmiri nke a na-asị gị we are not attacking him. Imagine. So they now know they're attacking him, and they're saying they are not attacking him. Hey, they are not attacking him, but they are sending message by calling him all manner of names, by fabricating lies, by destroying his reputation, by calling him all manner of names, blackmailing him, calling him what others are calling him. Yeah? And you said they are not attacking him. They are not attacking him. Well, we have told them, why are they crying? Why are you guys crying? Go and open gentlemen. Because Akuna were na radio Biafra Jidenia no were no jebe. Jidenia but time ruo when Mazi come out. I am not more afunu ke register am on afia. Jidenia were na deceive when ndo tunu deceive. I've told people don't go and listen to that. Don't go and listen to that in the Mkpuru Mmiri na radio Biafra. If you are listening to them, you will not be happy. The best thing not to listen to them. Don't even listen. You have to go. I don't listen. The only thing when people play something, share, I will go there and see what they share, and I'll say, is that what is happening? Hey, Chineke mere mebere. But for me to waste my energy, my time, my precious time, listen, then I get habundo to and then I Mkpuru Mmiri, then I won't have common sense like them. Then Mkpuru Mmiri maybe say their brain. So Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri maybe say their frontal lobe. That is them that are listening to them. We're gaining up.
Okay, yes. Yes. Do you see anyhow or any form or those spiritualists physically or their thinking or imagination, how you think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is following everything that is happening on social media? Personally, absolutely. Absolutely. You don't know anything. No. You remember that he was in DSS custody for a very, very long time. He was in DSS custody for a very long time. I cannot say to what extent he is available to information. Why in DSS custody? You understand what I'm saying? Yes, I cannot say to what extent he is available to information, but you know that social media story is different from when you have a direct contact with people.
So the person in social media
contact with the likes of Allah who come to message you directly face to face. Yes. You understand what I'm saying? You know, so I believe that to a very, very large extent, in my own conclusion is that people like Aloy Chibako must have told him, let us introduce some level of violence to so that we'll be able to use violence to put pressure on the Nigerian government for his release.
No.
I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. They must have told this disagreeing with you. Somebody say you disagree. No, he doesn't need to agree. He doesn't need to agree. I'm going to pay you so that we can be able to regulate me. I already saw the comment. I don't expect everybody to agree with me. Only giving out my own personal opinion. I'm not trying to like exonerate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but at the same time, I'm trying to balance the whole, because you know there is a way you go to look as if you know you are condemning him, or maybe you hate him.
You hate him.
You know, I try to balance my discussion.
Shut up!
Objective.
Stop lying. You hate him. I have seen everything you posted. He came on, we have seen your post towards him. You hate him. All of you all hate him. The supporter of DOS. Stop lying. Stop saying you are balancing. You're not balancing nothing. But you out when you cut a neck, don't go. I finish and I don't finish an assignment in there for assignment in the Nigerian government bought you all, gave you money. Unu need a US not 500 million, 500 million okay, leadership in DS not. They have paid you all with that 500 million. So that's why you guys are here talking nonsense. That's why you guys are talking rubbish. You guys have collected the 500 million. They paid you all. China Samoru said it. A leadership was paid, offered $500 million. You guys have taken it, and now we are all talking trash. Go, I have called to sell no. We have called to our neck. Mekona de baradika, kono bacharika na jizrike. Mekona go continue with our own group. Leave our leader alone. It's not our leader. Boss leader ono. Una money and no a fraudster, no car. We agree. It is our fraudster. Let him be frauding us. Go away. Make una come out. When I see me, when I call somebody fraudster, still you guys want to have something to do with the person. You call, so how can you even call somebody a fraudster? And you still calling the person your leader. Is it not only in the bloom in the mode of ma? When I flow ania, kuro ania, no boy the bloom in the Nangibo. You want to Nangibo, how much you have your man. Oh, hey, yes, Chinasa, well, where, man. Yes, man, we are with you. We go with you. Wherever you go, we go. The Burumiri, how could you say behave? So, Makona go, we don't want to now. Makona carry on our hala within the Burumiri, and that one, you jelly her. Na Kafaya, South Africa. All of una make una come out. We don't want to even make una no ever use mask that kind of picture again. You guys, you supporters of Ndi Obio, John, the Burumini, I only use na mask that kind of picture. I make another call them on a leader. Make another call them again. Union do on a leader. It's not an union do happen. I cannot call it. Person one they call fraud. Person one they call fraud. Where fraud? How can you be calling somebody that frauded you a leader? Are you not in the? That's why I said the Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri have destroyed their brain. They need to go and do rehab. They need to go and see psychiatric. They need emergency psychiatric place to visit because Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri have destroyed them. Their frontal lobe, their thinking faculty is gone. They don't have it anymore. You can't come and call somebody a fraudster, a defrauded you, a destroyer. A betrayer, and you are still calling the person your leader, and they say they are passing message. They want him to get the message. What message do you want our leader to get to? Them because happen and leader and our leader Cobb. It's not on our own. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is our leader. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. No mind them. No mind them. Oh, with that oath we destroy all of them. Yeah? That oath will destroy them. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, make una leave our leader alone. Make una go on away. Oh, leave our leader alone. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Una no go say, una don't call our leader Froster, call our leader Berima, call our leader all name. Then you still come back and say he's our leader. All Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri, they behave like that. It's only the Mkpuru Mmiri that behave. They don't know because oh, that's why you all supporters of DOS and Mkpuru Mmiri, look at this one. Make una leave our leader alone. Oh, make una come out. Or Guinea. Somebody's scamming you. You still want him to be your leader. Are you normal?
I played it.
Yeah.
And that also goes a long way to also send a message to people who believe or who think that we are against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
No,
They also see that Biafrans have a different opinion from what we are saying. That we are not the one inciting people against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
I don't think you understand what I'm saying.
Are you denying it?
It will look as if we are inciting our people against Mazi.
That is what they are doing.
No, it's not strange. No, I'm not that type. You can see that I'm not even the type of social media coming to put live to talk.
Yeah.
I know why I'm trying to do such. I post my things, I post the information which Biafra needed to hear or to share. Maybe to come on live. So what we are saying here is to not to deceive our people again, because when they find out again that we are deceiving them for the second time, Mazi is going to be
Islam, this one is coming to do damage control. He tried to do damage control. You are also in the same shoe with this Mkpuru Mmiri. All of Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. You are doing damage control by saying, no, we are not deceiving our people. This one is saying we want our people to be very careful, that they don't want to scam them second time again. Mazi Nnamdi can have scammed them first time. They don't want another second scam. And then this one, he came saying, no, we are not scamming our people. I beg now. Somebody where they scam you guys, you don't have to call that person your leader. You don't have to say you are praying for the person to come out, because you don't have to call him. He's still your leader. If not, weed is disturbing you all. Weed is really disturbing these people. These DOS followers, weed is disturbing them. And they really need emergency. In short, they don't need emergency. Let them continue. Let the weed continue to be disturbing them. They're enjoying. The weed is really showing them shaggy. Look at what somebody said.
The truth of the matter is that it is our people that will make the final decision, not we are you.
Obia.
You understand what I'm saying? What we are saying matters to a very large extent, but it is the decision of the Biafra people that will count at the end of the day. But our duty in the front line of...
Who is calling? Hello? 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 Eh? You are live. Yes. Can you share the link? Okay, let me send you the link, my dear. If you want to join me, my dear. Let me send it. Yeah, let me send the link to you. Hey, Mkpuru Mmiri. Mkpuru Mmiri egbuo na ha. Mkpuru Mmiri egbuo na ho.
So that is just it.
No, I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
What is my link again? Where is my link? I'm coming, my sister. Mkpuru Mmiri, don't kill these people. Mkpuru Mmiri. Question and answer. Link, follow link. What is my link?
We send it that thing, we send it again.
What is my
I
link?
saw something you sent here. So I think that area, you can send it back.
I'm coming. I'm trying to find that link. Yeah, they put my link again.
My brother Muhammad Patrick, so much understanding, and I know the kind of person he is. He's a person who can bring an argument that can see the reaction of our people. Which I love him so much on that. He really knows how to do it best. Which, but I wanted to see.
I'm coming myself. I'm trying to find the link. I can't find. Where is my link now? That link is somewhere now. I don't even know where I put it. Oh my God, where is my link?
To serve the people. We are not here to serve our
Where is yeah, okay.
Calling me this side, I'm using the phone. You don't come in that side, please. I don't know. You can call if you have my second phone.
Chat, send your question, no. Hey, I can't find where is that link I used to click on it. All this routine, they don't change everything now. I can't even find where to click the link and so somebody should join.
To start writing, to tell them or to let them know that they are not happy. So
look at what Ndi Mkpuru is saying. My dear, I can't find where is my link now. I have a link that I usually copy and send out. Oh, I can't believe this.
So,
invite. Oh yeah, sorry, my dear, I've seen it. Copy link. Yeah, I've copied. I send it to you.
Without no sentiment or being biased or
being
annoyed,
who called me now?
Regardless of anything or whatever people might say, you try to make sure you prove a point. I really appreciate that in always from you. So that's why all the first
they are trying to cover themselves up. Copy link.
So what I'm saying, and I think
come in. Come in and come and do your own. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri people. I will see when you come in. I will bring you in. Look at Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. If you want to join my link, I have it here. You can join me. Let me put it here for you to join and contribute. This is my link here. Hey, Mkpuru Mmiri Ajoka. Sophia. My dear, after my program, people usually watch a lot. You don't know. You don't know that after my program, whatever you call yourself, you are not a mass. You are even Mkpuru Mmiri people. After my program, people watch it. I don't care whether it's how many people is watching me. I don't care. Mkpuru Mmiri people, carry your wala go. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Show my link. This is my link here. Copy my link and join me. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Mkpuru Mmiri people. Now Sabi. See what your Mkpuru Mmiri is doing. Never give up. 10. Okay. What else? Are you there, my sister? If you come in, I will see you. And I'll bring you in. Mkpuru Mmiri people. Hey! They are trying to defend themselves. After they now say they are not attacking our leader. They are no longer attacking our leader. Imagine what they are saying. Biafra should know. We are not attacking our leader. What we are doing is to let him see what we are saying, so that he will stop. Whatever he's saying he's doing, he will stop. After you have attacked him, you are telling us you are not attacking our leader. You think we are stupid like you? Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. I have sent it here. I have sent my link here. If you want to come in, I should have even done this since I joined here so that people can join me. Oh, is it not coming? Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. See, after they have attacked our leader, they are now saying we are not. And then somebody will attack, finish. We say we want Mazi to get it.
That they are not happy. So that's why you see, I can see
Biafra Bulkari. I don't know who you are, but let me go to I think Royal Bed. So
Hey!
for the drink, I really appreciate you to tell the truth. I always love having arguments with you. I always love having arguments.
See the people that is leading you.
Which you can have arguments with.
See the people that is leading you.
Being biased or being avoided.
These are the people that is leading you, leading you. The people that is, they say they are what to you. Look at them. Hey, God forbid. What kind of people is this? How did we? What kind of people is this? Look at the people that will give you freedom. These are the people that say they will get you freedom. Please get them freedom. Oh, let them go. We don't care about them. Oh, let them go and get the freedom for these people. In comment section. Okay, hold on. Let me copy the link and put it in the comment section. I'll copy it and put it there. Copy and put in my comment section. Okay, in my Facebook. Okay, I'll do that. So that next time I'm online, anybody want to join can join me there. Where am I? Am I still online? Yeah. Okay. Now I put it here. The link is there. Okay, that is the link. I put it on my. It's now in the comment section. What about on YouTube? I should have done that as well. The link is on my comment section now, my dear. Okay, I'll put in my comment section. Okay. I have it there. Hey! I said, what? Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Tofia! I said, well, he said, these people are freedom fighters. Freedom fighters. Oh, look at them. Oh, the freedom fighters. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. You see, after they have said what they said they are not fighting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are not fighting him. They're only trying to let our people know whatever. Imagine, after they have called him all manner of names. Somebody call somebody criminal. You still want that person to be a leader. Accept me in. Are you there? Let me see. Okay, you are in. Oh yeah, I can see you. Now I'm accepting you in, my dear. Okay, you are here now. Can you see me? Let me remove this one. Why is it clicking off and on? My sister, you are in. Okay, come in. Hold on, no. You are in. Where are you? Are you there? Let me replace this and bring you in. Replace. No. Cancel. I've accepted her.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Where are you?
Perfect.
I can hear you.
I don't know. I'm supposed to be in the panel,
Yes,
but
let me hide this and bring you here. That's where I can bring you. Let me see.
okay.
Okay, hold on. This my thing. Sometimes I'm kind of having problem. Come in. No,
Yeah, it's not really easy to use.
Oh, skin. Come on. Why are you not coming in here? You're supposed to come in here. Oh my God, I'm supposed to accept it. Okay, I've seen this person as well.
Yes, I see you.
Yeah, I've seen you. You're here. But why is here Ejiro is not coming in? What happened? Let me go back and press back again. Ejiro, are you coming? I can see our brother is here.
I am here. Oh, I don't know.
Who's the voice?
If you can hear me, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but I can't. Okay, hold on. Now, because I can accept more than even how many people in. I can't even see you coming in. Okay, hold on. Yeah, let me put this one here. No, I can't see her coming in. Oh.
Have you accepted me?
Let me go back again. Yes. Yes, I have accepted it. Look at you here.
But yet you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you, but I don't know why I can't see you.
Okay, no problem.
Show change non-video setting. What a source hiding to show change non-video setting. No, you are. I can hear you, but I can't. I don't know how to. You're supposed to be in here with me.
Is it because I'm using audio, but it's not supposed to be an issue?
Okay, you're using. No, it's not supposed to be an issue. Invite guests. Hold on. My brother, you're welcome, eh?
Thank you, my sister. Thank you. God bless you.
And you too. And you too. You see
God
what we
bless
are discussing about in Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Look at what they are saying. They are saying somebody went on to just to go and address people that is following him as a leader, national coordinator, and he started. He was online, a national coordinator, and then they are not saying that they are Mazin and they are not attacking him, but they are trying to show our people that that Mazin should change his ways and change the way he's behaving. That's what they are doing. What do you have to say about it? Let me see if I can bring my sister in.
Sister.
All I have to tell them is that when you are in this struggle, don't say that you are a freedom fighter. Say that you are fighting for your nation. You want to have a nation, a good place that you want to call home, a call nation. There is no two freedom fighter in one freedom fighter. Our leader is a freedom fighter. That's the reason why he stands for that. All the bullets. He go to prison. He go to exile. He suffer. His parents die. He lost everything. He's still standing that he will achieve what God sent him to go and do. Our leader is a leader that nobody on this earth will fight him and survive.
You see?
Nobody on this earth will try his spirit and stand.
You see?
Our leader is the Kamozo. He's the most powerful spirit in our land, Igbo land, that inside him. Nobody know the type of a human being our leader is, but they will believe, they will know it one day. They will know that everything he says goes. In Nigeria, government they kill everybody. They kill even Abacha, kill everybody. Nobody try Nigeria government and survive. Nobody try British and survive. But they try always to kill our leader. They still fail. All the suffer, all the attack, everything they made our leader is still standing.
You see?
The hunger, the torture, everything they do to our leader, he's still living. He's not show them that man is a spirit. Everything he said, everything he told Nigeria is that Nigeria is seeing the physical why he's still alive. Nigeria is still confessing. Many Nigeria is saying today, what type of country is this? Everybody believe what he said today. And everything he said is in front of everybody's happened. Somebody who is under oath in this struggle, who took oath that he will never betray the leadership, is betraying our leader. Our leader is the only person we all know. We all joined this struggle because of our leader, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody joined this struggle because of Biafra. Everybody joined this struggle because of Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, our leader. Because he have the spirit that move everybody to join this struggle. He have the spirit that move everybody to join this struggle. Many people call for this Biafra, call for restoration of our. Nobody even care. But immediately the spirit inside him call for this struggle. Everybody joined the struggle. He used microphone to call Biafra all over the world. Call everybody all over the world. Everybody wake up and join him. People think it's easy something. It's a spiritual something. Anybody going against our leader, the person will die, and the person will rot on this earth. Our leader is he never offend he never offend anybody. He fights for everybody. He fought for Yoruba. He fought for all the whole Africa. He fought for everybody in this world. He never one day say anything against anybody or do anything bad to anybody. All our leader is doing to restore the Africa, restore a human being to have what
dignity.
God gives.
Exactly.
Somebody
To
will
start living a
welcome.
good life.
Somebody will welcome start insulting our leader. If the leadership is not working, people must fight the leadership to start working, start doing something. People have right to fight DOS to tell them what you are doing is not right. You have to do the right.
Exactly.
So people will support you. People cannot be fighting Nigeria government, fighting the government of Nigeria, fighting president of Nigeria, fighting the governors, fighting senators, fighting. But the leadership of the struggle is not doing something right. People cannot fight them. People must fight them. People must fight them. People must tell them what you are doing is not right. You have to do the right thing. They arrest our leader. During the time of Ushemefo, they arrest our leader. Ushemefo fight. Ushemefo sit in Radio Biafra fight. 24 hours, Ushemefo is there. He's fighting. He's fighting for our leader to come out. He don't even care. Even all those people was against him then because he's with our leader. He fights. He fights until our leader come out. Our leader appreciates him. Ushemefo never waits until our leader come out.
It is those people, it's them. It's them that push Ushemefo. It's them that cause the problem between Ushemefo and us.
After all of them come and start fighting Ushemefo, our leader did not come to Radio Biafra to say anything because he knows that these people want to use Ushemefo to destroy him. They start fighting Ushemefo so that they through Ushemefo.
Finally.
So that they through Ushemefo, through Ushemefo they will destroy our leader. Our leader keeps silent. Our leader keeps silent. This is the guy in South Africa. He start calling our leader. You must come out to address what happened between you and Ushemefo. Our leader never said anything because he knows that something is wrong. Exactly. They want to use Ushemefo to destroy him. That's the reason why he keeps silent. He don't want to say anything. And the same people now try all means to see how they will fight our leader. Now they don't go openly to show us that they really wanted to fight our leader through Ushemefo, and our leader stand. Our leader stand and defend himself and control himself, control his emotion. Now the same people now come out Nana and show their face. All what they're doing, they already fed because we own the land, not they own the land. We cannot support evil. To carry evil, go to where we are fighting Nigeria, fighting that this country Nigeria is not working. Now we want our nation. Now we will carry the same people, the same evil, go to the same nation. No, we can't do it. That's the reason why that's the reason why we're supposed to fight them. Anybody that in this struggle is not doing it right, we're supposed to fight him. Because they cannot leave people that we are fighting governors, telling governors what they do is not right. And now the same people that we call the leadership, they're not doing something right. Now we want to support them. Support them how? They're not doing something good. They arrest our leader, they're not doing anything. All what they come into Radio Biafra is tell you that lie. Nothing there is truth. Everything they tell is lie. They fabricate lies, they come and tell people. They think that people is fool. During they put seat at the home. They say it's our leader. Our leader never say anything. They remove seat at home. They say it's our leader. Everything they're doing, they do it. They want to blackmail our leader. The day she does them announce sit at the home in Radio Biafra. He never said that. He's not our leader who say it. It's him who put it. The day he remove it, it's him who will remove it. Not our leader. Our leader just hear it and say no, don't do it. It's not good. I'm fighting for my people. Allow them to go to school. Allow them. But after all this they are doing, they want to put it in our leader head. Our leader is in prison. He's not even talking. When he come to a court, he will come to court. They will try to put words in his mouth. He controls himself because he's a wise man. He don't talk anyhow. He controls himself. You know what to say. All this are doing it. He cannot go to court to say that somebody they discharge somebody, they quit as somebody. How can you go to court to take paper for somebody that the judge is judge? If you go to court, judge will judge you, discharge you, acquit you, and give you pen to sign. You have to sign your discharge. Somebody cannot go to court and take paper from you or go to prison and give you say that they discharge you. Who they discharge you? Who discharge you? All this that they're doing it is to let our leader is a wise man. That is what when they do, our leader will sack them. Go, I don't need you. You can't use our leader. You can't use our leader. Start open office in Abuja as a lawyer. Start blackmailing our leader. You open office. You start being our leader to social media. You start being a social media.
Let our sister say something. Our sister Jiro is here, face of Biafra. Our sister Jiro, I hear you. Thank you so much. Finally, we are here. So we'll be using this my platform because I have it for long. You know, I do use it, but sometimes I will be off work. So at least now I know that I forgot that I have to be bringing people in. I totally forgot. So now I have to make sure that I'll be doing this so that people can come in and contribute. And then we can be using it and be doing talk, you know, because it's very important for us to let our people know what is going on. Because some of them, they don't even understand what is going on. They are still believing that US is wise, but they are not listening and knowing that these people, they have really attacked Mazi, you know, character assassinating him, do all manner of things against him. It is so hard, it is so heartbreaking, but there's nothing we can do. It's one of those things we know is going to happen. Mazi talk about it. Internal enemies must come. We must uproot the chaff from the wheat. So that is what is happening. Thank you so much, my sister, for coming in. I appreciate you. Please look at somebody that called himself a coordinator, a national coordinator on a radio, on a platform that you know that he's using. It's called, I think that platform is the one of it's called one of them that set up, I believe is the what is it called? It's not the Radio Biafra, but the other one. And this man will also go on Radio Biafra and be talking and be telling our people that they're fighting for our freedom. But he's not saying that Mazi Nankan is a fraud. It's a fraud. That Mazi Nankan is a fraud. And also, the same man called Mazi is a fraud. Also say Mazi is his leader. My dear, please, can you just elaborate on this? Because I don't. These are our people. In short, the way I call them now, they are recruited. They are all Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. You know what Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri now? People that take these hard drugs, you know, the one that they are taking now, people are giving them, and they talk. The way they sound, they don't sound normal at all. I give you the platform for you to speak. Yeah. Are you muted? Okay. Go ahead. I have unmuted you.
Hello, sister.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Good evening.
Good evening. We're not seeing your face. You're a little bit far away from your camera. We're not seeing your face properly.
This is the face of Biafra. You're not seeing the face of Biafra.
Okay, yeah, we are seeing that one. That's why we are seeing that one.
Yeah, I'm walking. So I
okay.
want to
you have to walk. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm home. I'm in my office at home.
Okay.
When I come back to work, I also have to work.
Okay. Perfect.
But I saw you online. I said, let me contribute because yes, we can see the damage control after the interview of the planned and deceitful interview by the nigger, the big nose, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife. They think that bringing Mazi Nnamdi, in fact, let me first of all greet our people. Good evening, Biafrans. Good evening, IPOB. Good evening, my supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Ogadagudu, the Ogidigba, the Igwe, the king of Afaribe, the only supreme leader of IPO, the man that leads over 70 million people called Biafrans. I give it to you. The man that has never ever succumbed to subduction. The man that said that instead of Biafra not to come, may he go. The only man that the Nigerian government fear his voice. The only man that the enemy trembled whenever they hear his voice. The only man that whenever he speaks, the trees and the dust in Biafra land, they all go mute. That man is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, our supreme leader.
Mm-hmm.
The only man that has said almost everything in Nigeria and it has come to pass.
Mm-hmm.
That man is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Mm-hmm.
He is an icon of freedom. I greet you, sir, our supreme leader.
Mm.
Let me go straight to the topic. I have been laughing whenever I come across their posts. I have been laughing. I said, "Oh, look at these people. They think they can, screw our brain like somebody that is using a screwdriver to unscrew nuts. They
Mm-hmm.
think they can do that to us the way
No.
they do to their those following them foolishly. We have the same attributes of our leader. Our leader said that he's a very stubborn man. He is not foolishly stubborn, he is intelligently stubborn.
Mm-hmm.
And that is the reason why you see that those of us who refuse to allow these manipulators to deceive us, to manipulate us to start attacking our leader, that is why you see that these people are picking heads. They are fighting us and all that. But then there is something that is important that we are doing. And when Mazi said that some of you will be bought over, he said some. He didn't say all of you.
No.
So those that we bought over, he saw them. And today these are the people that have been bought over. Whatever means they bought themselves over, they come out to expose themselves. I was watching Adan Jideka's program where she was playing the voice of Chinas Nworu. Although we've heard that voice before, but it's very good that she's bringing it back again to refresh our memory. Where Chinasa was telling Biafrans, how Dave Umahi called one of them. Now, the question you should be asking, how did Dave Umahi got the phone number of the DOS member and proposed him huge amount of money for him, since they have been able to kidnap Mazi, for the guy to give up the struggle. Now, this tells you that these people have communications with the the Eastern governors. Now, let me make it clear. There is nothing wrong about having communication with them, because normally when you are fighting for freedom, a time will come when you will have to negotiate. And I believe Nnamdi Kanu also can at any time decide to say, okay, I want to negotiate. And that negotiation must be at the favor of the voice of the people, not a kind of a negotiation that will be against what we are fighting for. So now, when this Dave Umahi have to call somebody in the DOS, it tells you that there is something fishing. My sister, as I know the way you are to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I know that you love and cherish him. I cannot call you to start telling you things about negative things about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because I know that you will rebuke me immediately.
Exactly.
You understand? The only reason I will come to you is I have seen your footstep. I have seen your move that this person picked AIDS against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I will easily approach you because I know that you will fall in line with me. So whatever that guy Chinasa is talking is a bon con. These people are complicit in what is happening today. And even one of their media warriors said it, that they are the ones that poison our leader. The video is right there. Now, they are not coming out to play the damage control. They are not reading their write-up. Now, the strategy these people are using, sister, look, they are saying that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's family wants to buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that they will take throne. In fact, they should buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. These people are doing is exactly what they wish to happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Exactly.
They are just trying to play with the brain of our people.
That is the truth.
Now, I want to read the comment from the post from the one they call Family Writer. Let me bring this post to your notice, sister. He said, we have clearly said it here before that the siblings of Nnamdi Kanu, pay attention. These are people that usually call him Mazi. Now, just pay attention. The siblings of Nnamdi Kanu are angry and want him dead for abandoning the throne of Afari Beku, but bewitched idiots insulted us. Now, the game this person is trying to play is telling the public that they themselves, they want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to die, okay? So that they are trying to tell people that Mazi has abandoned his throne, that they want to frustrate him so that he will quit the struggle. Then it will look as if that what they have been saying, they have been right all this while. He went ahead and he wrote again, the hatred and accusation on Oyendu's wife is because his siblings want him dead and forgotten, but the woman is aligning with IPOB to stop that. Now, have you seen any, with all due respect to our leader's wife, okay? Have you seen any woman, any wife who will join the enemies of her husband? Because as it stands today, the DOS are the enemies of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It has been declared.
Exactly.
Their action, their utterances, their attacks
Exactly.
on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have declared that they are enemies because they do not want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu out. Now, see any woman, any lovely wife that will go and be romancing the enemy of her husband. Okay, now we have been expecting this woman to come out and do the needful the way she usually do. She did it during the time of Simon Ekpa. She did it one more time again. I think late last year she came on Radio Biafra, if I'm not mistaken, in November, and she started saying people should, listen to the DOS, the DOS are destruction and all that. Now, these people are directly attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. China Sanwo-Olu came out and said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been threatening to kill him for the past 4 to 5 years. This woman came out and she came out for an interview. She never addressed these issues. She never asked China Sanwo-Olu that this is what I saw that you wrote against my husband. Could you come and tell Biafrans how did it happen? When did he attempt or threaten to kill you? She never said that. She came out and she started saying things about her family. Whether she likes it or not, I don't know. If whatever relationship she has with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as it is today, it's none of my business. I don't go into family, people's privacy. But what I want to say here is this. The children are Mazi's children. Mazi is the father of those children, right? Whatever you do to this,
I think is it not only one son?
Is it one or two? I think there are 2 children.
No, it's only one. I believe it's only one.
2 children,
really?
2
Is it
children,
2?
2 boys.
God, I think there are 2.
2 boys.
Our leader's son is 2 boys.
Okay. Thank you, brother, for that. Now, these children, whatever you do to the man in the public, I said in the public, you are equally doing it to your son. All those insults those people have been passing to our supreme leader, they are passing it to Mazi Nnamdi because these children are his direct blood.
Exactly.
Okay. Now, this woman came out. She didn't come out to correct people who have been insulting her husband, who have been blackmailing her husband. She only came out, okay, to tell the world how she has been suffering in the marriage, how she has been maltreated. Now, when you come out from your family, if you have a problem with your family and you couldn't resolve it, The only thing you could do is keep it. It's a family affair. There is nobody outside that can show you love or that can sympathize with you or can do what your family will do for you. There is no perfect family in this planet Earth.
No.
There is no perfect couples in this planet Earth. Things are happening. But the moment you bring your family out to come and tell the world so that they will sympathize with you, that is the day you have lost your respect, and that is the day you have devalued your family. You may think that the people you are narrating this thing to, they are sympathizing with you. To her, that day, they see you as you are no longer what they used to see. The value is no longer there. You understand? Because you have put everything in the public. You have you have devalued your husband, your children, your in-laws, everything. That is what happened. That woman, they call Neka, she succeeded because she wanted Biafrans to know that what she's in the right track. So let me bring his wife to come and even validate all the points I've been raising. That was what she did.
Yeah.
And this woman said that she's going to mobilize Biafra women against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Does it mean that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife did not hear that when this woman said it?
They said this after she have done that interview before the woman started saying those things, like, before the woman started saying they had more of attack, and I heard where the woman is saying that people were contacting her and saying that she shouldn't play that audio, she shouldn't play that interview, and what are they afraid of? And it is her phone, so she has every right to play it. That's what she said. If that, I can play it for you to hear what that woman.
So it means that it was a pre-recorded. It wasn't a live program. It was a pre-recorded.
No.
It's not a live. It's not a live. It's not a live interview.
Okay, because I didn't watch it. They speak Igbo, so I just wanted
they
to
blackmail the wife of our leader. They blackmail the wife of our leader. It's not It's not live. It's gossiping. The gossip.
Now let me play it. Listen, my sister. Listen. I have it here.
So if mother particularly you were gonna arrange here and road in when he came. Man, from what did as wicked
I will explain.
He may suppose he had the Carlo, no, it's in his in a lot in a daughter DOS. Nay, may you suppose.
But you expose the Mazi family.
Imagine. I go taking a federal government, Apple Cola, no, I have to come as the Carlo now. Can we can win deep, Hagana worry. Ndị Igbo ha ga na-edeceive. Ndị na-eme na advert so na-enye nwere ESN ego. Onye ga-achụrụ anyị ndị Fulani herdsmen.
The same Fulani she's attacking.
Ndị amị na-achụ anyị ndị Fulani herdsmen.
This woman is sick.
Unu know how desperate and how wicked they are. Somewhere now we would
no, then I'll explain it to you.
The more now to Porono, she had a hope. They will people away. I think but I'm not, I may respond to it, but what you see, I respond to them. I'm busy. I'm very busy. I just conclude the interview. I just make it to the interview.
No.
Lolo.
You see?
Yeah, I get mayor blue. And when the pressure from everywhere,
you see?
Thank God,
no upload.
Okay, so he said that people are telling her not to upload
it.
Yeah.
The blackmail
the
blackmail the wife of our leader. It's a blackmail.
You see how this woman is evil?
Which means, okay, I get it now. Which means she already had that interview with our leader's wife before she started attacking our leader.
I think so, because that attack she was coming out bit by bit then, but it wasn't obvious after the interview. Do you understand? After the interview, but then she was coming out like trying to say things, but it wasn't like more attack. Then after the interview, then the attack started more. You understand? Then she started
after the interview. Okay.
Yes.
Which means okay, I see. Now let me continue.
Yeah, but
This
let me explain this to you. Let me explain. The same woman said that Mazin Nandekano formed people that are killing Umuibu. And the same woman now is saying, that people should support the people that is killing Umuibu. People should support them and fund them so that they will protect our land. Is this woman normal? The same woman that said, what has Mazin Nandekano done? You remember that audio? He said, "What has Mazin contribute done since he since he started this struggle?" And the same woman now is saying that they should support the ESN Mazin Nandekano created, and he called those ESN that they are coming, that they are not doing, they are the ones doing all the bad stuff they are doing to our people. The same woman now is saying that they should support the ESN. I don't understand, but they should start giving them money because of
this is like the woman is confused. In fact,
I'm telling you,
you know, when they give you a script, that is how it is. You know, you cannot. It's not like when you are talking from your brain, from your mind.
no.
If a script has been given to you and they say do this, there is every you know, chance that you will fumble. So that is what is happening to her. They told her she's not from Adams. She doesn't really know what is happening from the beginning. So what the story they gave her, so when she comes out, she does shoot herself sometimes. But anyway, in a nutshell, except that interview was granted before this woman started attacking our leader's personality. Because if this woman has already started attacking our leader before our leader's wife went to grant that interview, that is why I am asking this question. How can a wife go and grant interview to a woman that is threatening to mobilize other women against her husband that is suffering for everybody's freedom? How could? Okay, in that I will leave it there. But now,
because you know why? Because
if this woman
they're helping her, my sister. She said they're helping her with welfare of her children. That the US are the one paying the money for this her children school fees, and maybe they're also giving her some money. So that's why, because of money, because of money, you have to go and dance to the tune of people that doesn't want their family, because the children are going to grow up and they're going to see. I don't understand.
Yes, they're going to see all the things that the DOS have been saying about their father.
Hold on, my sister. Sorry for cutting you short. When the children grow up and they're going through and these videos of people attacking their fathers, calling their father all this name, when the man is suffering for the people that he's fighting for the freedom. And when the children grow up and see all these videos, how will Uchechi respond to them? Would he tell them? And then they now find out that she was with these people. She was with these people that is after her husband, after their father, their children. I don't know how she's going to explain to them that it doesn't, that this what she did is the right thing to do. Yeah, I don't know, because I don't know. Seriously, I don't know.
Well, let me just round off for this first, but then I will speak again. You see, if you go now, you will see what these people are posting. They are not posting as if they are fighting for Mazi's release. I read the one that Chinasa wrote. Then there's this other one that family writer wrote, talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, should be left to die because he abandoned Afaribeku. And let me go to Chinasa. You will see what Chinasa wrote. These people, I feel that after the interview, they started, playing the damage control. And that damage control is what is going to tear their camp aside. I tell you. It will tear their camp aside. I know why I said that. Now, this is China Sanworu. He wrote. Okay. I don't know if you follow his update.
No, I don't follow it. Unless you guys share, then I'll see it. I don't follow him. I don't follow any of them. I'm telling you, I don't even listen to Radio Biafra. I don't do. Unless you guys share.
I'm not following. I just you know, I always type if I just feel like to see the mess that they do. I will type, and then when I see, I leave. So he wrote something. It's a very shameful thing, you know.
Okay, show me what
they are still using.
I should make a post on that as well.
They are still using manipulating our people. They are still manipulating our people because our people brain is very shallow, that some of them is easy for you to deceive them.
I'm telling you.
Now, where is this post? Has he deleted the post?
Deleted? You can't delete it though.
It's a flyer about Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know if you saw it.
You should be screenshotting the post whenever he makes a post. Screenshot it and keep it in a safe place, because these are the things we are going to use. You know, when Biafra comes or when Mazi comes out, we're going to use these things to show them. There's no point him deleting it. He can do it. Somebody can advise him delete. No. Once we see such posts, we screenshot it and keep it. It's for record purpose.
I think that post is no longer. I saw it today.
And tell us a little bit. What did he say? Can you remember?
This one is 57 minutes ago. So that particular post has been removed from his. Oh my goodness! He has removed it.
Are you serious?
He's talking about the freedom of Mazi and Biafra. I was like, hey, look at these people. Look at these people. Oh.
So the post is gone.
Yeah, it's not there anymore. Yeah, he has removed it.
That kind of post is need to be screenshot. You know, you screenshot it and then save it, because we screenshot.
How can this man be so coward? He has removed it.
You see, he removed it. You see,
it's a flyer. You know this AI flyer that they do.
Yeah, he told his Mkpuru Mmiri people, his smokers, to be doing flyer, to be doing AI.
And they put Mazi Nnamdi Kanu picture, saying that Biafrans. Okay. I've seen it. I've seen the picture, the post.
Okay, you have seen it.
Look at it. Yes, it was on the 28th of April. He posted it. He said, "Share widely." Now, in this post, he said, "Use your voice on social media. Today is Tuesday X, a day dedicated to spreading the message of truth, freedom, and justice. Let us flood all social media platforms, etc., etc. Biafra restoration, justice, and freedom for our leader. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let the world hear our voice." Now, this thing that this man posted here, okay, this is the same man that said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wants to kill him. My sister, Ify, as you are now, imagine, let me say I'm Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you are a Chinasa. Let's play this game here for Biafras to understand. And you know, you are suspecting us. People tell you that I want to kill you, okay? I'm in jail and I want to kill you. Will you in any way want me to come out so that I will kill you?
No, you will stay there now.
You see?
You will stay there. I won't pray for you to come out, so I won't kill you. You won't fire me.
So this is how they are using our people's brain. They are using their brain seriously, but We are too smart for them. You understand? Now, for him, now look at what they did. For the first time since they started blackmailing Mazi that he has children in Kenya. You know, they put a. I will. Let me show you the. Let me show you the flyer. Can you see it? They put a woman carrying a baby in the flyer. We are not stupid people. We know what is happening. Can you see it?
Yes. Yes, I can see that.
Now, this flyer, they put a woman carrying a baby. What is the symbol? What is the meaning, or what does this symbolize? Now you have to link it to the scandal that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has got children in Kenya. But since since I have been in IPOB, I've never seen a flyer that they put Mazi Nnamdi Kanu face. I put a woman carrying a child. Okay, my sister, what is the meaning of this? What is China Sanwo-Olu trying to tell Biafrans? It's trying to blackmail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but pretending that he's speaking for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be out.
The person that he said their leader, he said he's the oppressor. He called him our oppressor, calling himself our liberator. And he's not telling him, he has told her he's not coming to say, he's not calling him leader. You remember the post he made which day? He said Nnamdi Kanu. He never addressed him as our leader or Onyendu. He called him Nnamdi Kanu, and he said he's our oppressor, who called himself our liberator. So today now, this date, that was 28. He now came up and said, leader of our leader. Nnamdi Kanu. Imagine this kind of people that he wants him out. Be careful.
So anyway, in a nutshell, what you have been exposing here, sister, we are aware of it. We are aware of how these people attacked Mike Arnold. They are the ones that wrote. Now, this is family writer. He wrote, after Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wrote a letter acknowledging the good work for Mark Arnold to be calling for his release, appreciating him. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's letter now burst their bumble. The relationship between Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mike Arnold got them offended. They got upset. They became agitated. Now they started writing rubbish. They said, are we new to the said endorsements of factors that undermine the core values of our upright quest for self-determination? We passed Simon Ekpa, withhold finance. He's not talking. It's referring to Mazio. Just pay attention, sister. Stop, sit at home. Don't counter Simon's crimes. There is no time Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has ever said nobody should counter Simon's crime, because Mazi has never opened his mouth to mention Simon's name ever. Don't counter Simon's crime. Don't sack insubordinate coordinators. This one, Mazi said it. And those coordinators, they are not subordinating. Coordinators that went to join Sowore to protest for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, how can that be an insubordination? They sacked them.
I don't know.
Biafra Radio raise fund through Avid, Rising Sun, ambassadors. This is what Mazi instructed. They are now quoting things that Mazi said and the ones he didn't say. He said, carry on, sit at home again. 100 men, etc. These were all endorsements we witness. So, what is really new about endorsement from enemies' grip?
Hey, are you serious?
Everyone
something like that?
Ejiro.
Yes.
Sister, our leader always said, I need 100 men. Since this struggle starts, always say, I need 100 men. And that 100 men, he always said that he know the meaning of the 100 men he needs. This, our people always follow our leader as if they want to know everything. Our leader is a leader who leads people. Our leader is a leader who leads millions of people to go to survive, to have a nation. Our leader is not leading people to go and have an organization, or maybe have a club. Our leader is leading people to go and have a nation where they will call their home, where they will stop suffering and they eat what God give them, bless them with. All these things that our people are doing, we know that this struggle, there is people that under oath in this struggle. And that oath, inside that oath, he said everything. And if he took that oath, there is something that you don't have right to come in public and say it. Because that oath he took is too powerful. And that oath is swear it with your own mouth, not another person's mouth. That's the reason why those under oath really in this struggle that contribute are not in social media. They're doing the right thing. That's the reason why. You can't see them in social media. That's the reason why Nigeria is afraid of them. Even the DOS is afraid of them. Why? Because there are people in that you don't see them and you will never see them. They're under oath. They swear with their blood as he also swear his blood before he died. This struggle, they have people that today, if our leader said that if we put key to open door, people will come out to do something to Nigeria or to restore the country immediately. Nobody knows them. They are still there. They are waiting. These people that call themselves leadership in this struggle, there are people are watching them. And when they go wrong, people stop doing what they're supposed to do. That's the reason they suffer. You know, there is people that pay dues in this struggle. There's people that contribute their life money, hard money, everything in this struggle. When these people go wrong, these people want to correct them. If they don't want to do right thing, the fund will stop coming. That is why they will start suffering. And when they start suffering, they don't know where to run. They will start attacking our leader. Because these people that contribute the money, pay these dues under oath. They're with our leader 24 hours. They're waiting for our leader to speak. Not these people called DOS. DOS is people that are there. That people are watching them to know what they will do. You see, this interview they do our leader's wife is not live. It's not live interview. It's blackmailing.
My brother, please just hold on. Let me finish this thing. I will mute so that you can talk. Okay. Biafrans are they are already seeing what is happening. Because since this man, Mike Arnold, came out to tell the world about the crime of Nigeria, the terrorism, the main message of that expose he did on Nigeria was to tell the world that there is a man that was jailed unjustly. Everything that is happening in Nigeria today is what this man has been crying for. He has been calling on the international communities, and I have gone to Nigeria 16 times to do my own investigation, and this is what I have brought out to the world, that the world should look into Nigeria, that if not, Nigeria is going to be a big problem to the world. Now, this man did all this exposed the Sultan of Sokoto, exposed all of them, Shegumi. Now, Tinubu came out, he exposed Tinubu. Tinubu came out, attacked Mike Arnold. The Sultan of Sokoto, they came out, they responded, they attacked him. Shegumi came out, attacked Mike Arnold. Now, members of the DOS came out. You people should just try to understand what is happening. The DOS people started coming out, attacking this man. Now, what you should know is that there is a link between these people, the Sultan, the Tinubu, and the DOS. Exactly. Because anybody that is an enemy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as it is today, they are all working to achieve one.
Exactly.
Now, Biafrans are saying that when they did this, they wrote this thing, they said that they are going to deal with Mike Arnold. Somebody wrote, he said, some people in DOS and family writers don't want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to come out. Honestly, you guys can't do this job all alone. It's not possible. Mike Arnold is here doing marvelously well, and instead of you supporting him to encourage him, you are pulling him down, because some fellows that have tried to bring Biafra to the world stage, and today they are nowhere. You get it? Now, this one said, The kind of hatred you guys have developed for the man, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is beyond human comprehension. But time will tell. Biafrans are seeing what these people are doing. Now, how can you be telling people that they should go and tweet for the freedom of Biafra? At the same time, somebody that called for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released, you are not attacking the person. You can see the day we are decoding their
international person. That person, this man is a well-known person in Nigeria. The Nigerian government know this man. UK, America know this man. This man is a well-known person. They started attacking him for just because he mentioned Mazi Nnamdi Kanu name. And you are telling me that these people, they love our leader, they want man, and this evil man, beyond your Chinas and one evil. One killer, the heartless human being, the cancerous man, the man that collected all the bribe in this one. This man is not saying that Mazi should be released. And you are telling me that these people are, and they are seeing these people posting all these things. These people are seeing them posting all this. They are evil people. And they're not, none of them caution any of them. Say enough. And you're not telling me that these people love our leader.
Sister, I am still here. I just submitted. I am still here. We contribute. Let's allow our brother to contribute.
This is so bad.
My sister, my sister, Ejiro, my sister. That is something our leader always used to say. Our leader said that he will start wake up Igbo man, Biafra man. He wake up, he will be speaking, he will talking. He think he's not listening to you. He will talk, pushing. He think he's not listening to him. He think that he's not even listening what he is talking. But the day he will wake up and say that no is no, that day he will find the face of the person. He will not see the face again. Our leader already finished the job. Our leader know he have already completed telling our people what they're supposed to hear, what they're supposed to know, and they already know everything. The people that in this struggle, I told you that they're under oath. They're not in social media. Our leader always say 100 men. I need 100 men. I need 100 men. Nobody understand what he's saying. People cannot understand what he's saying. The people that in this struggle that died during the Biafra war and they come back again, when they start saying that this land, Fulani will not take it, Nigeria will not conquer it. Up to today, Nigeria never conquer it, British never conquer it. This is not the DOS matter. This is not these people in social media or Western world. When they go to work, when they have problem, when maybe the business is not moving, they join this struggle. This is not the people who supposed to see their face. They're not in this struggle. They're just frustration. Frustration is killing them abroad. That is people in this that is saying that Nigeria cannot take their land. British cannot take their land. That's land. This is struggle. This is Biafra. This is restoration. They're just waiting our leaders to say, move. They will march. But the reason why our leader don't want to say it, because our leader don't want to wake up that lion that will eat Nigeria. Because they swear with their blood, say that either Biafra or dead, before our leader say, no, let us move like this way, to please Nigeria to give us this land, to go out from our land. It belongs to us. That's the reason why these people, when they contributed money, doing their things, to help DOS, to move, to speak, to be in front of camera, to speak to the world, are not doing what they're supposed to do. These people will stop contributing their money, start supporting them. They will start seeing that heat. That's the reason why when they start seeing that heat, they start going wrong way, to think they will blackmail our leader. This is struggle. I already took blood of people. People die for this struggle. Say that either Biafra or dead, our leader is continue pleasing them. No. Don't do it this way. What they're supposed to understand that all this thing I do to our leader's wife is very bad. He cannot call our leader's wife. Do not do live interview. He just ask her a question. Try to hear from her own side. After hearing from her own side, she made a mistake. Yes, she's regret our leader's wife is regretting, because it's not post anything in social media. Our leader's wife is a profile somebody who's supposed to, before he come to tell Biafra anything, he will post it, he will announce it. The people will wait him to come and talk to our Biafras. Our leader wife did not do it. Then they take our leader's wife, interview her, hide cameras, do some certain things, lobbying her, romance her, please her, start asking her, how do you meet your husband? How do your husband, this and that? All those things, they do it. The next thing, they start saying, can we upload it in the social media? Can we do this? Can we do this? Can we do this? Our leader wife maybe don't know when they do all those things. They gossip, all those things, they do it. They blackmail our leader's wife so that they will gain to see how they will continue destroying our leader's family. All these things they are doing, they will not gain. Why? Because we are Igbo, we are Biafra, we are from Africa. No matter anyhow, we are blind. We use our heart to see. We reason. All these things they're doing to themselves. They're not doing it to the family of our leader or our leader. Our leader is there, suffering. Try all means to see that all Africa, everybody, go home and build your country. Europe, be Europe. Africa, be Africa. Our leader is trying. All these things they're doing, they're not gaining. Because when they do it, they will fail. They're not the first people that do it. They try to do it through Ushemefo. They force our leader to fight with Ushemefo. Our leader control his emotion, control everything because he knows that he didn't do any wrong. They want to use through Ushemefo to fight him. He goes silent. Now, all these things they are doing, call him DOS because Shinasa won. He do it to Chike Doziem. When he jumped to Radio Biafra, he doesn't have right to come to speak Biafra to Radio Biafra. We all know HOD, Chike Doziem. We want to hear from Chike Doziem. But Shinasa want to jump in Radio Biafra, start speaking telling lie. They're posing our leader. They do this, they do that. When our leader send message through the lawyer to him to Radio Biafra, who they said the message is the Chike Doziem, not to Shinas Sanwo. Shinas Sanwo will jump out, calling himself lion. You know our people, sometimes those ones that in abroad, in Europe, with their frustration, when they hear when he speak all this lie thing, they will come and start believing what he's saying. But for sometimes, because of the frustration of abroad, because this abroad is too hard, not like home. Some people will go to work, they start their work, they will join this struggle. Some people will go to sell their drug. Maybe after prison, they don't know what to do again. They join this struggle. This is what's happening abroad. Not that people like at home, where have the blood that say this land belongs to us. They are not going anywhere. Not like people like abroad. All these people like abroad, Europe side, all these people. All what they're doing to our leader today is because of some of them have already been criminal. They already commit different criminals. They already know that kind of mind of betrayal in business. That's the reason why they're betraying themselves, not our leader. Somebody cannot say that our leader buy a house in Kenya. When our leader was against Kenya, the country that is too corrupt. Our leader, before he moved, he said it. He moved. He give us to this time to do this, to tweet it, that he's moving. He make it openly. But all this thing are doing is to blackmail our leader. If our leader did not go this move, today we are not in Nigeria. Supreme Court of Nigeria, we're not talking about this Biafra. What our leader know what he's doing. Nigeria must talk about Biafra. The whole world must talk about Biafra. That's the movement our leader is doing. They cannot do anything to our leader. All this thing are doing to our leader, blackmailing, going to Radio Biafra, removing from Radio Biafra, hijack Radio Biafra. All this they are doing, they come late. All what they are doing today, they come late. So we know this. We know that there is people on the ground that is waiting our leader to speak or waiting the Nigerian government to do something to our leader. If our leader, we find him today, not see him today, even all the whole, they know that the reason why they cannot touch him, even the governors, even everybody, they know very well that nobody can touch our leader. Even Chike, even Shinasa, whatever what they like with the group of all these national coordinators, they group them together. They will know that this struggle, they're under oath. And that oath, they took that oath. They know what is the meaning of that oath. And that oath they took and going out against our leader. All of them will run mad. All of them will suffer. All of them will suffer. Because then use the amount to took that oath. Nobody forced them. He cannot took oath with somebody, that he took the oath with somebody, tomorrow he betrayed the person, he feel that he are going to go free. Can't go free. They can't go free. So anybody that is speaking against our leader, laying allegation against our leader, going into the family of our leader, doing whatever what he's doing, we all know that our leader cannot leave his family. His mother died for this struggle, his father died for this struggle, the family destroyed. All these things that happen in that family never happened to their own family. Our leader cried for those people they killed because of him, because of this struggle. Our leader still crying. Our leader mourn them every blessed day. Our leader pray for them to have peace until the Biafra restored. So those people are going against our leader, doing all this they are doing. Let them remember that whatever what there's allegation that laying for our leader, and our leader is still suffering today without collecting millions of Nigeria promise him. The first time they promised him millions. Second time they promised him millions. If our leader did not betray you to take any money from government, or be a governor, or be a senator, or be a president, or be a vice president in Nigeria, or maybe be something in England, try to fight for this restoration of Biafra. If they're going against our leader, the land will still fighting them. All of them will suffer. That's my prayer every day.
You see, thank you. Thank you, my dear. Yeah, I'm going to on this program. It's for 3 hours. I need to go. I'm going to work tomorrow.
That's a good prayer. He said.
He said,
my sister, goodbye.
Good night.
Goodbye.
Good night. Good night.
Thank you so much, Sister
Thank
Ife,
you.
for your
Thank
time,
you.
for your efforts, for everything you are doing for Biafra. Thank you, brother. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, my sister.
Right,
Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Thank you for coming, Onabaniana. Thank you. So see you guys next time. When I'm off work, we start again. Well, bye-bye. Thank you. Okay, perfect. So I am done. I'm 3 hours, it's not easy. So it's not easy. So you guys have had it. Some people that say they are fighting for our freedom, those are our international community that is speaking on our behalf, that's calling upon the international community that to release our Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, making our leader to be on limelight, making the world to know about who is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they are holding. The people that says they love him, that he's their own Ndu, he is their whatever, their leader, they are attacking the man. Tell me who, if what a shameful people. The man that the Nigerian government knew. Look at it, the Sudan. I saw the man posted that Sudan of Sokoto, Tinubu, and the Nigeria politicians, they have responded to his messages. They have responded, and he said he's not afraid to speak. The same, is it not the same people that this year their so-called DOS is wise in the evil, heartless human being, people that doesn't have nothing to offer, the people that are all about them, all about it's me, it has to be us, and they have nothing to offer. Is it not them? The same people that are also that are castigating and even calling the man names, and the man was even angry with them and said, what kind of people? How do you expect people to talk about us? How do you expect your help can come from anybody? Me as I am so now, if Trump, that I don't really like him a little bit because of the way he's behaving recently. Before I used to like it, but if Trump now say he's going to talk about Biafra, I will love him more. If Israel is talking about Biafra for them to give us freedom, I will love them. But not that I won't criticize. I won't have when they are doing something that I'm not happy, I won't criticize it. But I will love them. I will appreciate them. I will share it because I want our people to be free. But look at these people. Look at them. Look at the way they are attacking this man that says something about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu release and about freedom of our people, about Biafrans, and they are attacking. And you are telling me that these people, they have your interests at heart. You are supporting them. You are giving them your money. Oh my God, I'm sorry for you. You are in Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. You are also the people that I call in the Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Good night. I think I have done justice to this program today. I am going to rest, and then we'll continue when I'm off work again. We are duty calls. We work. If not, every day I'll be coming, but not every day. I have to go to work because it's normal thing for me to do, for me to pay my bills and also support. Somebody is here. Who is here now when I'm trying to close? Are you coming in?
Sorry, my sister. Kekwan, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good. Let me turn off my camera and speak, please.
Okay, go on then. Go on.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nwada Ejiro is a wonderful woman. She chatted me and sent the link to me on WhatsApp.
Okay.
And my sister, yes, I know you want to close. I don't want to waste any of your minutes, but I say this in different platform. My name is Amechan Salam. I say this in a different platform. My advice to our wife, our sister, our mother, Lolo Uchechi Okukano, is to run away from people who are serpents, who are presenting themselves as friends. Run away from exposing her family. Run away from people that will put division in her family. You may have a conversation with somebody. You don't know that that person is out to destroy you.
That is
now.
Truth.
Yes, imagine that interview was a complete hypocrite. You people have said everything. I don't want to waste anybody's time, but it is very, very clear now that they are not just fighting the struggle; they are fighting to destroy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
I'm telling you, exactly.
Any foreign diplomat that rise up to speak, they will attack. They will attack the person. What does that tell? Kanu just made a wonderful support. Asurok attack him, Caliphate attack him, and even the DOS is writing against him. So what does that tell us? We should know where our problem is coming from. So my advice is, Lolo Uchechi Okukano, nobody is perfect. You may have made a mistake by granting interview to that woman. And when that woman conducted that interview, things were a bit normal. Everybody believed that she was for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But now she is going nuclear. And she decided to publish that interview when things has gone sour.
After she said they said her don't publish it. People were calling her, according to her, she said, it's my phone. Why wouldn't I publish it? Did I use their phone to record it? I will publish it. Hey,
exactly. And if you watch what happened, she cut it part 1, part 2, up to 100 parts. She's a content creator. She's making money with those interviews. And cutting it is she was removing the part that doesn't suit her and putting the part that will cause more controversy. Why are you coming to attack a man who is in prison, exposing his family? Now, my sister, I want you to also link it with there was a broadcast made by KK Oda, a leader in this struggle. He came on a live program. He was busy smoking cigarettes, blowing smoke, shameless behavior before the public. And there's something KK Oda said, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stop the school fees of his child. You see, sometimes any person who has not understand the problem of our movement now is a big fool.
Exactly.
The people they call DOS, they have left us long time ago. Let me ask you a question, my sister. Where is Mazi Jonathan Chinedu? Where is he? He no longer talk on Radio Biafra.
They say he has a problem.
Which problem? Which problem? They will give you any story just to cover him. Which problem? Let me tell you, these people, they have deserted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a long time ago. We are the people standing behind him. And if you watch what is going on, many people who are not even a registered or oath members of IPOB, they are the ones standing up to defend Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not
that
the
is
DOS.
What I'm seeing. That is it. That is the thing. The Igbos are the one. Those that didn't even join the struggle. Even some Fulanis, some Hausa, sorry, and some Hausa not middle bed. They are saying, "These people, are we normal? What is going on with us?" Hey.
So no problem, my sister. Thank you so much for your effort. I don't want to keep you because we all have life to live, but we must continue to stand by Mazi. Nothing will happen to him. We can never abandon him.
Whenever I come online, I do forget that I always have this link. I should be inviting people in, and I always forget.
Send
me link, and I remember I said that is true. I used to have link that I sent to people. How come I'm not using it? But I'll be using it now. Once I come online, I will put the link. Whoever that want to join will join me immediately. That's what I was doing.
Thank you so much. Catch you for.
Thank you. Good night, then. Good night.
Okay. Good night. Thank you.
Bye. So I will go and rest my people. To next time we'll continue. But they have no good interest. They don't love you. They don't love the man that is fighting for your freedom. They want to pull him down. They want to destroy him. They don't want this freedom to come. If they can join Nigeria government to be also saying things about your leader, about the man that is calling for your leader release, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And this is what we want. We want international community. We want international community to be speaking out, because the more voices we hear, the more hit we get. The Nigerian government will be getting hit, and UK will be getting hit, and the Biafra will come. But look at what they are doing. They will attack the people that is speaking for us back home. You remember how they attacked the Eze? Anyone that speak about Mazi release, they will attack. Now they're attacking the international man that is speaking about Mazi release. This is what they are. So what do we call these people? Ndobi Ojo. What else do we call these people? Ndobi Ojo. That is what they are. I will play the last voice and I will go and rest. This is what I played for them, and this is what they are. Let me play it. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. I play it for them. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. This is the last one I'm going to play. Then I'll end this program. Ndi Mkpuru Mmiri. Okay, play from the
Mkpuru Mmiri. Gịnị bụ mkpụrụ mmiri? Mkpụrụ mmiri bụ ife na-anụ ụmụ nwoke kịta n'iyi. Kedu ka esi ama onye na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri? Ka esi ama onye na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri bụ nke mbụ, ọya na-emu anya, nke abụọ ọya na-elido nri, nke ịtọ ala ọkpụkpụ adịgo nso. Mkpụrụ mmiri a na-agbaghalụ onye na-achọ ịpụ ala? Mba, mkpụrụ mmiri a na-agbaghalụ onye na-achọ ịpụ ala, n'ihi na drọgụ kwụ sị agwa m na eziokwu, onye ọbụla nke na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri ya apụrịla ala. Alapụgo ha. Mkpụrụ nke na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri ya apụrịla ala.
Alapụgo ha o. Katifonu ụmụnne m, alapụgo ha.
Structure set underneath. Abobi NT Kanibuluwa, our new slogan, Bugodi Damudawa, all my men no when I dozi kapuku, Yemu one pipe, one Nekamu, Miluaba, what you gonna use to look at is Ukumoki, no food for lazy man, Apuloma Kabonka, Obago, you don't enter, I see you don't enter, drop me for Psychia.
I told us little niggas, but they never wanna listen. This little turf still think you know I'm a bison. The clock's out of time and you wanna paint the whole city red. Remember you just got out of prison. Outlaw, the whole time stuck enough. You done a lot of things, but you never do enough. Enough is enough, niggas stop doing drugs. Enough, niggas stop doing drugs.
I don't know what's happening. Good boys still antagonists. Cause I had one of the time and they my precious soul be quiet.
Even if you go to Makai Kalino Sekia, the Gimano Yausa, Yashika Gabadia, if you bala Baba Gomu, the Bazuquakada, we started using you to defend it to the Giha. You fight with the bad in the Bodai and the line, you fight with the bad in the Bodai and the line.
mkpụrụ mmiri a na-agbaghalụ onye na-achọ ịpụala? Mba, mkpụrụ mmiri a na-agbaghalụ onye na-achọ ịpụala n'ihi na drọg bụ si agwa m na eziokwu onye ọbụla nke na-agba mkpụrụ mmiri ya apụrịla ala.
Mkpụrụ mmiri, what is it? Why now? What is it?
Ala.
Mkpụrụ mmiri, what is it? Why now? What is it? See how you are destroying our youth. Stop now, mkpụrụ mmiri, give up and stop.
Good night. Love you and take care. Mkpụrụ mmiri ebugo ha. Ndị mkpụrụ mmiri, ndị supporters of DOS, SDOS.